this is the second day, my lord. In spite of that, Kesari has not come. Or my lord, may I move, my lord, at the time? Yes, my lord.
Right, solicitors, I beg to item number 59 of court number 21, my lord. May be allowed to withdraw, my lord.
59.
Only takes now.
59.
Only take 21 only.
59 को
No, 59.
21 to maybe यार.
supplicant दिया नहीं जी?
Please भैया.
Why do you want to withdraw?
59 of court number 21.
Why do you want to withdraw?
Because, my lord, in the earlier occasion, my lord, honorable court was directed to the learned court below to grant bail, default bail,
Ah.
in case the charge sheet not submitted within the statutory period. And that period has over on 15 of this month.
Okay.
Accordingly, on 16, he was allowed to go on.
It was allowed.
Yes.
Dr. I'm appearing for respondent number 2 as a mitis curiae.
Okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so and a counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Dr. P. Agarwal. Learned amicus curiae, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that following an earlier order of this court, the learned trial court has granted default bail to the petitioner since the statutory period was completed without submitting the charge sheet. Good stuff. He therefore prays that if he may be allowed to, that this bail application will be closed without further adjudication. Prayer is allowed in the circumstances above. The prayer is allowed. The bail application is closed.
Obliged.
May I please, ma'am?
Yes.
Lord, I beg to mention item number 28, madam.
28.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. I have taken the consent from the other side. I pray that this matter may come up after 3 weeks, madam.
At the request of the
Yeah.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, who submits that the consent of the counsel for the respondents have been obtained, list this matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, madam.
Obliged. May it please, Lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 48 of court number 21, my lord.
48.
My lord, the CD is not there, my lord. I am been intimated by 48. My lord,
Mr. So-and-so appears for the
APP.
petitioner.
yeah, I am on
Heard
interim,
the learned PP. The CD is yet awaited. List again on
4th of February.
my
4th
lord,
of
currently on 10th of February, if it is convenient, my lord. My senior
10th
is-
of February 2026. Interim protection granted earlier shall continue till then.
May I
Deep
please,
level.
Item 44, court number 21.
Hmm.
It is not there. 44, but yes. It is not in maybe on
28.
28, ma'am.
28th of February. All other things will remain the same. Just like item, what was that item we just gave an order? 48, no? Same order in this case also. Just put down list again on
28-1.
28/1. Okay, just the date will change and the name of the consuls.
Actually,
Yes.
item 43 CD is not available. I'm on interim.
43.
43.
This is an interim, madam.
Same order as
Maybe
in
on
48.
5th of.
Second week. video.
When do you want? When do you want it? 6th,
You want second, 11th of February.
11th of February. There the date will be 11. Huh? Other order will remain the same.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 56 of court 21.
56. Yes, madam. You are appearing for the petitioner? We are passing it over for the day. Item 56. We need, Ms. So-and-so and a counsel has submitted that the counsel, the learned counsel for the petitioner is not in a position to attend the proceedings today and therefore prays for listing of this matter after 2 weeks. A list again on the 5th of February 2026. Mr. K. Parashar appears as PP Assam. Huh?
5th of February.
Okay.
Maybe third or fourth.
Maybe 3rd or 4th.
3rd of February. है ना? Instead of 5th, make it 3rd. 3rd of February.
Obliged.
Wait, please,
Hmm.
my lord. My lord, item number 33, my lord.
Hmm.
I have inquired case diary is not there. I am on interim, my lord. That may be continued.
Same
33.
order. Case diary is not here and
After fifth,
list again on
after fifth, my lord.
Well, tenth.
10th of February. Interim protection granted earlier shall continue.
Obliged.
May it please, Mr. Lord, beg to appear in item 57 of code 21. Criminal appeal 128 of 2013.
Hmm? Hmm.
I seek a week's accommodation, my lord, sir.
Item?
57. K.R. Ganesh.
Why do you need, this is a 13 matter?
My lord, sir, I was informed in the last minute my wakalat number has not come on record.
Huh.
Need 1 week's accommodation, my lord. I was not able to prepare.
You are Mr.?
Sachin. Sachin.
Mr. Sachin, learned counsel, has submitted that the Wakalatnama filed by him is not on record. Therefore, he prays for an accommodation for a week.
My lord.
The matter is of 2013. Full stop. List this matter again on 29th.
Let's
29th of January.
I'm grateful.
29th of January.
My lords, instead, can it be 30th, my lords?
30th of January.
I'm grateful.
Yes.
May I plead? Item number 42 in court number 21, your lordship. CD may.
If everybody keeps saying court number 21, we'll have to send you to court number 21. Now this is this court. There is no other list before this court. Okay.
40
Item number?
Item number 42, AV. your lordship.
52.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes, after submitted.
Charge sheet submitted. Wait till the matter is called up. If the charge sheet has been submitted, the anticipatory bail has to be closed, giving you some.
Yes, closed, maybe closed.
Huh? We'll do it when the matter reaches.
Lordship.
We will do it when the matter is called.
Yes.
Okay?
Obliged.
May I
Yes,
please,
madam.
Lordship? I beg to mention item number 27.
27.
My
Yes.
sister has some out of station.
Ah.
Matter may be listed in the next week.
Oh, this is one of 2026 and you are asking a date. Okay. It is submitted by Ms. So-and-so that Mr. Tamuli, the counsel for the petitioner, is not in a position to attend the proceedings today. She therefore pays for an accommodation of 1 week.
Yeah.
List this matter again on, tell us the date, 29th or 28th? 28th of January, he'll be here?
Yeah.
It's 28th of January.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. Your
31?
Lordship may 31.
Huh?
Your Lordship may fix the matter after a week. Due to illness, my senior could not appear today.
At the request made on behalf of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, list this matter again on 28.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lord? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 50, Lordship. Senior Mr. Air, personal difficult with them.
At the request of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, list this matter again on. When do you want it?
Sir, same matter, Lordship, takes the 27/1/2025, Lordship.
On 27/1/2025 or 2026. Since it has been submitted that other matters arising from the same FIR are listed on the said date.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, item number 26 of court number 21. Only adjourned for the day, Lordship.
At the request made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again after a week. List this matter again on 29/1/2026. 52. Huh.
Filed by the statement, the report has been called for, but has not been received by us.
State has filed the application. Why do we need a report on that? The application itself is the report. Huh? What kind of a report has been called for? Ase niki file? Item kiman kole? 52. Yes, state, it is your case. You want it today or some other day?
The report is not available in the file, Madam.
Oh, you want a cancellation of bail and you don't have a report. What kind of a report is required? This I is from when? 2020 for a cancellation of bail. Then why press this cancellation of bail if it has not been cancelled for the last 5 years? Mr. Parashar, if it has not been, you have not been able to get it cancelled for the last 5 years, does it need to survive now?
Even we don't know about the-
Charge sheet, at least for 5 years, it has not been submitted.
but- but- but I'll take it from Madam.
This cannot be only a, this cannot be a threat tactic. You see, I'll get your bill cancelled. State cannot be doing that. State has to get it cancelled. State has to proceed with the trial. What was the allegation? What does it relate to? 5 years he's on bail. Whatever he has to do, he has done in the last 5 years. We are not passing it over. We'll take it up when the matter comes. You have your instructions by then, at least something. Maybe we can have a fixed date, something, huh? Find out something. We'll take it up at 2 again. Yes, yes.
Lordship, back to item number 29, Lordship.
29.
Scan copy was called for, Lordship. Scan copy not received. Matter 29. Matter may be fixed on 27, Lordship.
29.
27 January.
At the request of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again on the 29th of January 2026.
Maybe 27, Lordship.
27th of January 2026.
Best.
May I please-
Yes,
I'd like to mention for listing of the writ petition, madam. On 22nd, my lord.
writ petition am I taking up? If it is relating to bench bench 2 or bench 3,
Friends, three, madam.
bench 3, then it is Justice Goswami, if I'm not wrong. I am taking up a criminal bench today, you should. Yes,
May I please? I beg to mention item number 32.
30?
32.
2. Yes,
Paper passport photo there, if possible on 27. Scan copy is there, okay, yes.
at the request of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner,
Petitioner.
list this matter again on the 27th of January 2026. Scan copies, if received by the PP, shall be retained.
Lordship.
All right. Okay. Yes. Shall.
Yeah, I don't want.
Huh?
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, POCSO matter 1 year and 8 months behind the bar. Lord,
Stop, list again on
first week of February, lordship.
Mr. Parashar, can we have it on third?
6th of February, 6th of
6th
February.
of February, on the 6th of February.
It is scan copy.
Scan copy of TCR we have said. Scan copy of the TCR from the court of Special POCSO Judge Golaghat. है ना?
Golaghat. Obliged, deeply obliged,
List again on the 6th of February.
highly obliged.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, if you already charge sheeted record may be called for, it is from the Kachar Lordship.
pending
in the court of special judge.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
DRI.
Okay. This is an application under section 483 of the BNSS, comma 2023, praying for bail, grant of bail to the two petitioners who are in custody since 23/11/2024 in connection with, you'll take it from page 1, huh? Departmental case number so-and-so. Full stop, learned counsel has submitted that the case has been charge sheeted. Full stop. Call for the scan copy of the trial court records. List again on the 6th of February.
All right.
When you give that call for the scan copy of the trial court record, try to find out the court from the court of so-and-so. Huh? Item? After some time.
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Your lordship, intermediate quantity, page number 17 is the FIR.
Hmm.
May I read, your lordship? First, I have the honor to report that today on so-and-so date at about 12:20 AM on being received an information by the OC Dholai PS from patrolling staff by GDE number 27 dated 01/03/25 of Dholai PS, one vehicle bearing no registration number was suspected. And when it was signaled by them to intercept for search, then the driver of the vehicle moved forward and stopped the vehicle by the edge of the road at Sodagram, NS 306, and managed to flee away by leaving the vehicle, which made them to believe that there might be suspected articles and the reason why the driver left it when signaled. And in the lower part, there is the quantity written, description of seized articles, 16 numbers of plastic soap boxes, each soap box containing suspected heroin, total weight without soap cases 183 grams.
Your
lordship, may I take you to the charge sheet?
Why have you been arrested?
That's what that I am pointing out. Your lordship, may look at page number 27. Charge sheet, paragraph number 17, page 27. There's a relevant portion of the charge sheet.
You are the owner of the vehicle?
No, I am nothing. I am not the driver of the vehicle, not the owner. The co-accused is the owner. I have annexed the online copy of the vehicle, Rohimuddin. Suddenly, I have been shown as absconder. The warrant has been issued against me from the court. And when I appeared before the court, surrendered before the court, that is page number 29, I have been sent behind the bar. I have no involvement with the vehicle also, not with the.
How are you connected with this
Nothing
person?
has been mentioned in the charge sheet also. That's what I am pointing out. Your lordship, paragraph number, page number 27. Page number 27, paragraph number 17.
You are Rohimuddin
No,
Lashkar?
I am Mastaq.
Huh?
Mastaq. Rahimuddin is the owner of the vehicle.
Ah.
I am not for him. I am for Mastaq Ahmed. Mastaq Hussain. Mastaq Ahmed. Nothing relevant has been written in the charge sheet about my involvement in the case. Just only during course of investigation, the driver's name and address was collected and registration details of so-and-so seized vehicle was also collected from DTO Kachar, which reveals that there are prima facie case available against the accused so-and-so. And number two, Mastaq Ahmed.
How does he come in?
Charge sheet matter.
Charge sheeted. Do we call for the CD at this
Forwarding
stage?
is not available. Forwarding is not available because he surrendered before the, yes.
Now, yes.
Not even said he was a partner, he was in the vehicle, he was co-owner, he had financed it, nothing.
Nothing in the charge sheet.
Why?
How-
Can he surrender?
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. K.K. Parashar, learned PP. This application for regular bail has been referred under section 483 of the BNSS 2023 for enlarging the petitioner on bail who was arrested on 25/11/2025 in connection with NDPS case number 59 of 2025. Full stop. The investigating authority has submitted the charge sheet in the matter. Full stop. The investigating has submitted a charge sheet in the matter. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has pointed out from the charge sheet itself that there are no allegations leveled against the present petitioner.
Driver's name is driver, so
Where is it?
in the
Where do you find it?
During course of investigation, driver's name.
driver's name is just collected from the registration of drivers. So one is Rohimuddin Laskar, one is Mustafa.
Rahimuddin is the owner, but the drivers,
Just a minute. Where from are you reading, sir?
So para 17, page 27. Para 17, मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9th line. During the course of investigation, the driver's name and address was collected in the registration details of the state vehicle solution number 3, against the accused Muslim and Mustafa. So one is
So they suspect you to be the driver.
driver suspected,
You were suspected to be the driver, okay. Has pointed out that there are no allegations leveled against the present accused, comma, which is contradicted by the learned PP by saying that, no, by pointing out that during the course of investigation, the accused appeared to be the driver of the truck,
no, Bolero pickup.
of the Bolero pickup, full stop. What do you call for your CD? The next paragraph, call for the scan copy of the TCR. List again on 5th of February.
Deeply
We
obliged,
are asking you the date so that you can accommodate according to your calendar.
deeply obliged.
5th of February, huh?
May I please, Your Lordship, the charge sheet matter, madam. Scan copy of TCR and notice will go, madam.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, then you will say this is an application under section 483, na? You take from page 1, huh? I'm underlining it. It's to issue notice to the respondent number 2 in accordance with the prevalent notification. Instead, call for the scan copy of the trial court records. List again on 6th of February.
Madam. Deeply obliged.
May I please, Nalo? Hello, this is charge sheet case under the POXO Act, Nalo.
Heard Mr. So-and-so? Then it will be application under so-and-so again. Again on page 1, I have underlined. Call for the scan copy of the TCR. Issue notice to the respondent number 2, oblique informant, in accordance with the prevalent notification. List again on 6th.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
I think this is a regular bail application, my
Hmm.
lord. And the petitioner is behind the bars since 4/11/2025, my lord. And the allegation is POXO, my lord. Finally, CD may be called for an issue notice.
Instead of call for the TCR, you say call for the CD. And issue notice to the respondent number 2, oblique informant. Okay. These are POXO matters. CD has to be called for the TCR and the notice has to go to the informant that you keep. On the 4th of February, huh? List again on 4/2/2022.
Highly appraised. my lord.
Lordship, partly charge sheeted, my lord, POXO. Lordship. At this stage, my lord.
Same.
Notification is here, my lord.
The minor has filed the FIR apparently.
My lord.
The minor has filed the FIR.
Hello?
Minor has filed the FIR. Informant to the notice minor? No. The notice goes to whom then?
Maybe.
A special judge, my lord, she herself engaged the counsel there.
Correct person, right? Single available. Itu nunggu dulu. Itu correct person. আছে বিসি ফটো ঠিক আছে এবাৰ এনে খুদিলে ফোন কৰি দিলে বাইদেউ কৈ দিলে এড্ৰেছটো ঠিক আছে হোৱাটছএপত পঠিয়াই দিম yes sir
Yes, my lord. 19 is the, my lord, registration certificate, and page 26 onwards, my lord, these are the original receipts, my lord, xerox copies of the receipts, my lord. They purchased the vehicle, my lord, cows from the Gugamukh.
how do you identify which cows have been which cows were
No, these,
purchased and which were being
no, these are tag, my lord, I'm coming. Page number, my lord, 35 is the certificate of fitness to travel the cattle, my lord. These are. Then lordship come to page 37. These are tag, my lord. That is original is the 38. There are tag numbers. They purchased 21, but transporting 20 numbers of cattle. These
Page
are tagged by the
number?
veterinary department.
page number
38, my lord.
huh
These are the tag, my lord. Tag number is there, my lord. All is there.
when were you arrested
My lord, 8/12, my lord. 2020.
and the tag numbers appear to be signed on 12
5/12, 5/12. In the date is, my lord, 5/12/2024 on the date of purchase, my lord. And certificate of fitness to travel, that is also 5/12.
what is the procedure of tagging
Taking, my lord, this is the procedure of the, there is a SOP of the veterinary department.
where do you find the tag
The veterinary department itself, my lord.
on
While,
the
my
years
lord,
of the on the years or where of the
yes,
cattle?
yes,
on the
yes,
years
my lord.
so you the seized cattle must be with you
Oh, yes, it has to be verified, but regarding.
No, my lord, lordship, kindly come to page 40. These are the, my lord, the vehicle Jimma is already given to the vehicle owner. Here, my lord, in page number, my lord, 42, my lord, it is mentioned the IO has submitted a report stating that the ownership of 20 number of cattle could not be ascertained as the owner of the seized cattle have not appeared before the IO. So, my lord, he is in the item number 20 because on his appearance he may be arrested, my lord. But these are genuine seized cattle.
any protection given in item 20
No, this is the first motion, my lord. Motion, my lord.
Both
That
are-
is why both the, my lord, vehicle Jimma is already given, my lord, in the same order. So, my lord, they are praying for, my lord, interim protection. And
This is
this,
from
my lord,
where?
considering the length of detention and since the, my lord, cattle are genuine, my lord. So, my lord, they will be driver and the handyman may be released on bail, my lord. Already 43 days in custody, my lord.
Vishwanath Hassan
Page 16, that FIR, my lord, the results of arrest, therapy. First of all, accuser, for 20 cattle in unhygienic and cruel condition, my lord, tied up and all this. And failure to produce transportation documents. They have produced all these documents, but at the time of arrest, driver and even they.
I have stated in the petition, my lord, they refuse to, my lord, accept that documents, my lord.
okay taking both of it together will how soon can you give us the information he has given the tag numbers the seized cattle
Yes.
whether a tally with the tag number thereafter we'll come down to see whether the conditions were hygienic enough for them to continue in custody
That will be decided on the trial, my lord, condition, my lord. But these tags, these are the valid tags, my lord, issued by the veterinary department. They tagged it, my lord, at the time of, my lord, medical examination, my lord.
we want to bring this to a closure Mr. Parash every time they are coming up to say that I have bought this cattle it is bought one day prior to the arrest and it is being sold on the day of the arrest and these are being transferred. If it is done in a legal manner, moral,
The IO verify,
hygienic and everything will have it a certain, but if it is a legal process, then different. Now saying it is being traveled in a unhygienic manner, it should carry only 5 cattle, 6 cattle, 20 were there in a in the vehicle. Some photographic evidence, something has to come up in the CD. And when he says that the cattle are tagged, whether they are the same cattle or not. How soon? 28. We'll have it on 28th.
my lord, then my lord, to produce these documents before the IO,
Hmm.
petition, item number 20, and they may be protected on interim protection. 22%, vehicle
From
owner,
8th,
my lord.
from 8th, you have been safe.
No, we have moved the petition before the, my lord, Zimma of the vehicle and the cattle, my lord. It is
Ah.
still pending, my lord. Lordship kindly see.
So when you appeared, they have not.
No, we have directly opposed the, my lord, learned, my lord, SDJM, my lord, SDJM, M. Biswanath Sehli.
So
For
at,
Zimma.
at this stage, you need not produce all those documents. Whatever documents you
No, we have annexed the documents in the, my lord, Zimma petition. My lord.
Even here you have annexed it.
Yes, we have.
He has a copy of it.
But on our appearance, we may be arrested. So earlier occasions, my lord, same, my
you
lord.
Need not, you need
But
not.
this honorable court has same petitioner, my lord, because he's a cattle trader.
You
He
need
was,
not.
my lord,
You need
allowed
not.
to go on interim bill. My lord.
You need not. You need not appear now. You have given all the documents. They are on records.
No, my lord, they will.
They'll go through the documents.
Lordship kindly see earlier. This is the.
Yes, Mr. Parasa, he's saying earlier occasion.
Because he's a cattle trader, my lord. His earlier cattle were, my lord, seized in the Hazu PS, my lord. Hazu PS, my lord.
519 of.
5, my lord.
That my clerk has given a file, my lord, and
Same petitioner, my lord. He's a cattle trader, my lord. So he.
Okay,
has
for the
to-
trader will allow him to go and give the documents. Have
they will
your
verify.
documents here on the next date show us that these are or are not the tagged animals.
my lord,
But Mr. Svensson, Council Appeal, this is in item number
20.
20.
20.
Third, Mr. Svensson, Council Appeal for the petitioners.
One is the trader and second is the, my lord, the owner of the vehicle, my lord.
Trader of the
Cattle. my
vehicle
lord.
and owner of the vehicle. Why two together?
Two, my lord, because he is the owner, he has, Zimma has given, my lord. So he has to receive the Zimma, my lord. Zimma of the vehicle, my lord.
Vehicle owner is not going
But then, my
Trader
lord,
will give.
cattle trader, lordship, to verify these documents.
for the verification of the document. The Learned Council for the, this is an application praying for the privilege of pre-arrest bail to the petitioners who are who anticipate arrest in connection with Behali PS case number so and so page number 1, huh? I have marked it. Behali PS case number so and so. Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner number 1 is a cattle trader.
Cattle trader.
And the cattle which have been seized in the present case were bought by him through legal process and were being transported. Full stop. The petitioner number 2 has been stated to be the owner of the vehicle
Seized vehicle.
in which the cattle was being transported. The Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that another matter being item number 9,
9.
that is BA number 95 of 2026 arises from the same FIR, and there the applicants are the driver and the handyman.
And 2 helpers.
How many are there?
4.
4 people. The driver, comma, the handyman and 2 helpers of the truck which was carrying the cattle. Full stop. The council for the petitioner has submitted, for the petitioners has submitted that the relevant documents can be produced by the petitioner number 1 in AB 66 of 2026 to show that the cattle had been legally purchased, tagged and certified by the concerned authorities to be fit for transportation, full stop. He submits that, he however submits that the petitioner number 1 in AB number 66 of 2026 has not been able to approach the concerned authorities, as he anticipates that he may be arrested on such appearance by referring to, full stop, by referring to the order dated 8/1/2026 in AB number 45 of 2026. The Learned Council has prayed that in case this court grants an interim protection, the petitioner number 1 in this said case would be able to produce all relevant documents before the investigating authority. Full stop. Mr. K.K. Parashar, Learned Council for the Learned PP, has submitted that the records are already available in the 2 petitions filed before this court, and the documents are available. He has given the documents. And since the documents are available, the petition number 1 may not be required to appear or anticipate arrest, since these documents can be verified from these records itself. Full stop. Call for the case diary. List again on. When can we have it? 29th of January 2026. Full stop. It is provided that in that the petitioner number 1 in AB number 66 of 2026, namely, you give the name of the petitioner number 1 from page 2, name is so and so, shall appear before the investigating authority on or before the 27th of January 2026 and produce all documents and give such statements as may be deemed necessary. Full stop. In the event of his appearance and in the event of his arrest on his, write it down like this, in the event of his arrest on his appearance, he shall be allowed to remain on bail and to go on bail of rupees 5,000 with a surety of same amount.
Highly obliged.
Please allow. Lord, regular bail application, your lordship. FIR at page 9, my lord. I am not FIR name equity, your lordship. Lord, these articles have been recovered from Yunus Khan and another one Yusuf Khan. My lord, out of the same LCR, your lordship, item 37 is,
Yunus Khan.
my lord,
37
PCR is available with,
Why are you,
my lord.
what is your name?
My name is not named in the FIR, your lordship. I am Jannatul Islam, your lordship.
Where did you come in?
My lord.
Why were you arrested?
My lord, on the basis of a statement of co-accused, your lordship. Forwarding report at page 14, your lordship. Here, page 15 is the ground of arrest, your lordship. The arrested co-accused person has named him as their accomplice. The arrested accused person present at the time
But
when
Mr.
his
Swenson and
accomplice
Council paying for
was
the
a
petitioner.
police.
This is an application.
My lord,
Ah,
out of the same TCR, your lordship, item 37, TCR is available, your lord.
TCA is available.
Item
37.
37, your lord.
Then we'll take it up with 37. Mr. Parashar? Take it up with 37. 37. Then we'll take it up. That is what you're saying. Into time being 37 level material.
Oblige, your lord.
Yes, sir.
21B, 48 days, 49 days, my lord. Only 103 gram, my lord, heroin. That was found in the hotel, my lord, hotel room, my lord.
Huh?
Hotel room, my lord. He has come for treatment and in the hotel bag was there. And there only 103.4 gram, my lord. Your loss will find page 12, total weight. Intermediate quantity, my lord. 60 days is the statutory period, 49 days today, my lord. At this stage, I am not on merit, my lord, only length of detention, my lord.
The only difficulty that we find in these cases are that these soap cases are available. When it is for pure consumption, it can be anywhere else, but when it comes in soap cases, it
Most of the cases we find
becomes
are
a distribution point.
top cases, but anyway, my lord, I am not merit, my lord, only 40,
Nine packets.
9 packets, but two, yes.
Nine packets are fine, but with the quantity given and the
Containing
length
whether
of
my-
detention, what to do? Huh? Strict
Page
view.
12,
Strict view or
page 12, my lord, your loss will find first line, yes.
page 12. 103.4.
103.04 gram, 250 grams commercial. 250 grams. Only my lord, I am not, because whatever happened, man, he will face the trial, my lord. Where this stage further, already everything is mine.
It's Hailakandi and where were you caught
No,
in
no, it
Guwahati?
is this poor man.
This pool.
He came for treatment, he was staying in the hotel, and the hotel, my lord, a bag was what, in the bag, this thing.
He had come, why did he come to Guwahati?
For treatment, man, you look at paragraph 6, your loss will find.
Treatment of what?
Paragraph 6. Six was one of. Five. 6.
You don't even say what kind of a treatment which is not available in Silchar, which is a medical college.
That was not there, madam, because he is a contextual employee of a department, DRD department also. So he came to Guwahati for that year, that year.
Yes, Mr. Parasar.
Maybe on Friday,
Huh?
Thursday, 22.
Thursday,
22.
22nd?
This poor man.
22nd.
But no
22nd.
improvement will be there, madam. Same
Huh?
thing will come.
Whatever, but
Anyway, I adapt your
if
loss.
we don't give an
I did-
opportunity
Huh?
in this type of cases,
I adapt your loss. We also
perhaps
like
we can
limited.
also, perhaps we can also collect the reason why he came to Guwahati for
Yeah.
which of the
That
medical,
I'll tell you.
some,
Maybe there was
what is
some.
not available in Silchar, which could be available in Guwahati. Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, Joint Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. So-and-so. Ekin Didibo, bail application other so-and-so. Call for the scanned copy of the updated CD. List again on 22nd. 22nd, you said?
Yes,
22nd of January 2026.
obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Hmm.
This is a regular bail
What are they
application,
giving
lordship,
you?
70.
Just a minute, just a minute. Ago order likhi dibo. The quantity recovered is 103 grams. And the petitioner has already completed 49 days in custody. Yes.
It's a regular bail application,
Hmm.
lordship. Today, 46 days in jail custody, lordship, 72.43 gram as per FIR, lordship, recovered from this petitioner, lordship. Petition number 1 and 2 is a government employee, lordship, and petition number 3 is a businessman, lordship. FIR, lordship, will find on page 17, lordship. In FIR, lordship, it is said, lordship, in the that is on page 18, lordship, 41 wells and recovered is 72.43 grams. As per lordship FIR, there is no further recovery, lordship. So for in the forwarding report, lordship will find on page 19, lordship. Here also, lordship, the Caesar, as per lordship Caesar, here also says the lordship 41 wells and 72.43 grams heroin recovered. Now, lordship, inventory statement also reveal the same, lordship. That is on 26, lordship.
41 wells, lordship, and 72.43 grams, lordship. When this petitioner, lordship, approached before the court below, lordship, I have placed the rejection order, lordship. Here, additional 23.41 grams, they have said recovered, lordship. This is the order, lordship. Where from this has come, lordship? And case is charge sheeted, lordship. I have moved this case before the court below, lordship. Court has rejected without the lordship verifying that rigor of 37 will applicable or not. Only grievous of the offense, lordship, this rejected, lordship.
Hmm. 72.43 grams. Yes, till the forwarding, nothing further was recovered. Till they were forwarded.
Even
This-
charge sheet also silent, lordship.
Charge sheet,
Because it was concealed, matlab, subsequently may even.
no, after the forwarding. After the charge sheet and forwarding.
Matlab,
After the charge sheet and forwarding, then they have recovered another 23 grams. From where? He was in your custody.
Seizure list, lordship, I have annexed. That is on page
72
20.
grams
yes.
recovered.
41 suspected wells containing
Ah.
recovered from the upper portion of a booth concealed under a jacket.
Done.
Subsequently may be-
Arrested, forwarded, charge sheet submitted. Then it comes, it appears from the case record that during search operation, police recovered the alleged contraband material suspected to be heroin measuring 23.41 grams. 820, from where is 23.4? Just a minute. Either it's a copy paste mistake. It does not say additional. When? 100.3
they already
grams on
46
22nd.
lordship.
This one also on 22nd.
Can-
B Purva, B Puriya.
Can be on Thursday, lordship, because
I'm asking him if he can get it. Because
only charge sheet
26th
has
of,
submitted, lordship.
26th of January coming on, everybody will
Yes.
be in a.
That was disputed because of the I have said,
This is-
copy may not come.
Let's try, lordship. If not, lordship, the lordship will fix another day, lordship.
28. 28, a day here into, huh? Okay, heard Mr. Swenson and consult for the petition, also heard Swenson. Underneath PP, this petition is application under 483, connection with NDPS PS case number so-and-so. Recovery is allegedly of 72.43 grams. Is it? Seventy-three point 72.43 grams. Call for the case diary, list again on 28th of January 2026.
This can be kept with the record, lordship, because it's a rejection order. I have not annexed that in, lordship.
And the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted the certified copy of the order dated, sign logo, rejecting the, whether learned trial court has rejected the bail application. Full stop. The same is kept on record and marked as an extra X.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, a similar bail application has been fixed on 2nd of February, lordship.
But
And-
notice has to go on this.
Lordship,
Notice has to
be
go on this.
The POXO matter, but lordship, here lordship, informant was unknowingly not implicated in this case, lordship. Lordship, if lordship allows, then we will file an additional affidavit in this regard.
They have to amend the first statement.
We will file an,
Post-title amendment you will have to file an application.
yes.
Moment you file an application, we'll raise a query to the registry of this court as to when the informant is not a party, how did it come before the court? Better you take this away,
Withdraw paper.
file one tomorrow,
fresh.
get it listed day after tomorrow. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that inadvertently some the necessary parties were not included in this bill petition, full stop. He accordingly prays that he may be allowed to withdraw this and file afresh. Full stop. Prayer not being objected to by the learned PP. The same is allowed. This bill application is closed on withdrawal, allowing the petitioner to file a corrected bill petition. Clear. Yes, sir.
Lordship, 10.02 grams of suspected heroin were recovered from us, my lord, and we are behind the bar for last 44 days. 10.02 grams,
We can have it on the 28th
28.
with the scan copy. Jorhat 28th, Mr. Parashar,
Case diary.
is the scan copy of the case diary.
No. Only case diary, not charges.
Case diary. Case diary. Call for the case diary query. List on 28th January, huh? Yes. Thank you. 1-5.
May it please your lordship. Well, it is for the first time, my lord. POXO is there. Notice is to go. Notice will go and the scan copy may be called for.
Heard Mr. So-and-so.
That's it, case.
Council appearing for the petitioner, This application is under 483 in connection with also case number 116 of 2025. Issue notice to the respondent number 2. As per prevalent notification, call for the scan copy of the trial court records. List again on 3rd of February
It
2025.
is from Kamrup itself, my lord. Kamrup Metro.
Notice has to go to the respondent, that has to come back.
Yes, sir.
So, seeing that we have 26th of January in between,
Yeah, my lord.
things will not move before 27 or
Right.
28.
Right.
We'll have it on the 3rd.
3rd of February.
February, yes.
Oblige, your lord.
3rd of February.
Subsequently, after the inventory, without the files, the contaminant comes to that is not extra, actually extra.
It was 71
With files.
and 23. Will remind us on that day. 23 grams.
That's another, he did extra. Because of that.
Had he pointed it out, he would have been at an advantage. I don't know. It's all right. Yes, sir. They are saying that it is the 71 grams was with vial. That was with vials. You minus the vial, it comes down to 23. That is what they are.
not their lordship.
No, that is.
They say it's a net lordship.
No, no.
Later, we'll take it up on the next date. We will not delay it any further. But thank you, Mr. Sharma, for pointing it out. Thank you.
Mayor,
Huh?
28 intermediate quantity from Borolumuk.
Possible, Mr. Palashik? Borolu 28, এই হিটু HI চৌধুৰী ছাৰৰ লগত কেছটোত একেলগে 28 দি দিব হা। এইটো আইটেম, this is item 16, heard Mr. So and so, এইখিনি ইয়াৰ পৰা দি দিব, ডেটটো একে ৰাখিবলৈ দিছো এইটো কেছৰ 28ত হা। 28th.
17.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a bail application. In connection with Lonka PS case number 265/25. Registered under section 21C, 27A, 29 of NDPS Act. And 2 persons were arrested on 8/12/2025.
Commercial quantity which was 27 A also there.
At this stage, CD may be confirmed.
Heard Mr. So and so, council appearing for the petitioner. Application under section 483, no? They arrested on 8/2025, commercial quantity is involved, call for the case diary.
5th of February.
List again on the 5th of February.
Much obliged. May I please, your lordship?
Madam, this is a POCSO matter, my lord. Section
POCSO?
4. Yes, my lord. Section 4 of POCSO is there, my lord.
What, Mr. So-and-so? 482. 482, application under 482 for grant of pre-arrest bail. Notice to respondent number 2, prevalent notification. Call for the CD, 3rd of February 2025. Yes.
Item 22.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship 482 BNSS application, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, find out the FI at page number 11, the relevant portion, your lordship. The allegation is that, your lordship, 35 numbers of cattle has been suspected to be stolen and used for illegal transportation, your lordship.
One, how many vehicles?
One vehicle, the big vehicle is a truck, your lordship. It's a truck, the petitioner.
35 in one vehicle.
Yeah, lordship. It's a truck, your lordship, LP truck, your lordship. And your lordship, petitioner number 2 is the owner of the vehicle, your lordship. And petitioner number 1 is the purchaser of those cattle, your lordship. The purchase receipts are, we have annexed, your lordship. The vernacular portion, your lordship, start from page number 30, your lordship. 30 to 43A, your lordship. All of the purchase cattle, your lordship, for that, your lordship, Nagaon Jilla Parishad, office of the Nagaon Jilla Parishad, your lordship.
How do we identify that it is the same cattle which was purchased and which has been seized?
Lordship, kindly allow me to appear before the IO, your lordship. The IO will authenticate, verify the same, your lordship. So lordship may give you one chance, your lordship, to appear before the IO, your lordship, so that the IO can verify all these things, your lordship. And it will reveal in the case diary also, your lordship.
But you have to take care of this thing also, Mr. Parashar. We cannot. How do you identify the cattle? They'll come up with all kind of sale.
Because in the
sale
season list, otherwise, your lordship, in the season list, your lordship, if your lordship kindly see page number 15B, your lordship. 15, your lordship. The description of
Restrictions are there.
some descriptions are there, your lordship, though not. It will come, lordship, after verification only, your lordship. It will come to the knowledge of the IO after verification only, your lordship, whether they genuinely purchase or not, your lordship, because we have all the original.
What we are trying to find out is this: we don't want unnecessary arrests to be there.
Lordship.
The police have got a better job to chase around criminals rather than chase around cows and bulls being transported. But once these cows and bulls are not being identified,
Lordship.
the mobile has an IMI number, the cattle have the tag.
Numbers, lordship. Lordship.
Neither the police right here with tag number so and so, neither do your receipts show it is tag number so and so.
Tag number is not there, but
Then how do you know it is the same cattle which was purchased?
otherwise the season list reveals, your lordship.
What?
The description, little bit descriptions is there, your lordship, without taking number, your lordship. That is not there. Tag number is also not there in the season list also, your lordship.
That is what we are saying,
yes,
that is what the law tries to stop. One is allowed to trade. It has to be tracked. That is the whole thing.
Lordship.
Even this NDPS substances, whatever is used in medicine, done through proper doctors who can administer it in proper quantities.
Lordship.
The transportation of cattle is never an issue.
Lordship.
The only issue is whether they are being transported legally, lawfully or not.
Lordship.
With these documents, how do we say?
Otherwise, in the purchase receipts also some
35 cattle in one truck. How do you fit in? The color is there, the weight is not there. We don't know how big cattle they are.
Lordship, weight is not there.
Then-
Lordship. Weight is not there.
Muga, ronga,
Yes, your
duta
lordship.
katipla eta, ronga eta hing. The hing cannot be ronga. I don't know. I've never seen a ronga hing. What? Appear before the IO. What to do? Heard Ms. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petition. I also heard Mr. K.K. Parashar learned so-and-so. This is an application for grant of, for the grant of privilege of, pre-arrest bail to the petitioners, comma, who claim to be the owner.
Owner, petition number is the owner.
What
Your
is petition number was the owner?
Owner, petition number two.
Petition who claim to be the owner
Petition number
the-
2 is the owner of the vehicle, your lordship, which has been
and owner of the cattle and the owner of the vehicle
vehicle.
respectively, which are involved in Jagirot PS case number so and so. The driver and everybody else, they are
Arrested, your lordship. I'm not for driver and handyman, your lordship.
the General Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the cattle which have been, the 35 cattle which have been seized from a single, what kind of a vehicle is it?
It's a truck, your lordship. RC is at page number 14, your lordship.
From the truck were legally brought, were legally bought by the petitioner number 1 from the were legally bought and were being transported, full stop. He submits that the petitioner number 1 would be in a position to produce all the relevant documents, etc. before the investigating officer. However, due to apprehension that he may be arrested on his appearance, the General Counsel for the petitioner prays that an interim protection may be granted so that the documents may be produced. Full stop. Call for the case diary list again on
10th of
the petitioner number 1 shall appear before the IO of the case on or before 29th of January 2026, provided that in the interim, in the event of his arrest, in the interim, he will be released on bail of rupees so and so, huh? 10,000 crore, 2 COT amount.
Much obliged, lordship.
One, only one.
This matter may be taken up after some time. my lord.
Notice would go. Without notice to the informant, nothing is
That
happening.
reason Mr. A. Ahmed wants to appear in this case, my lord. He is on legs.
All official will go.
24.
Lordship, this POXO case, Lordship, notice may be issued.
482, application number 482, Merapani PS case number. Notice to the respondent number 2 in accordance with the prevalent notification. CD, call for the CD. Huh? 5th of February.
Obliged, Lordship.
25.
May it please the Lord.
Yes, sir.
My lord, this is a classic case where these acts which are in fact enacted for the benefit of children are being misused. And which is why of late Supreme Court is also of the opinion that there should be some Romeo-Juliet clause where there are consents. Now here is a case where the girl comes up with an FIR after 7 years of her admitted marriage. After 7 years. And she complains that 7 years back, she was coerced for marriage and she has a child of 5 years. Those are admitted position of facts from the FIR it reveals. Now the present petitioners, there is no allegation of any
Record should be entered in the bill petition. It will be difficult. What do you say? Is here concern, huh?
Child is of 5 years age, Lord. And in the medical report, I have seen there is bite mark.
Bite mark, that is the whole thing.
It is also there. Lord.
So that is what I'm saying, that if the mother would not have called out her name, it would become a section 8.
Lord. And moreover, her statement is also there. PW1, her deposition is also there. Lord. It is also investigated.
Yes, Lordship, my lord.
Not at this stage.
The matter may be directed to dispose of expeditiously.
That they will do anyhow. Our passing an order on that will not be. We'll see. We'll
If
record
the
your
evidence is already taken, evidence is, I think, already taken.
But Mr. Yasik, the council appearing for the petitioner also heard Mr. So-and-so learned PP and Mr. Miss appearing as the amicus curiae. Full stop, the scan copy of the trial court records as called for has
So I guess, Bhagoi Bisaran Asila.
been received and
748 notice not served,
not served.
Lordship, as well as 36 Lordship. Notice under section 36 of the CRPC also not served.
Ah,
And Lordship, I take your Lordship to page number Lordship 34 and 35 Lordship.
ah. 30?
34 Lordship.
Uh-huh.
Lecture 5,
Ah,
page 34.
ah.
I am for the lady Lordship.
Hmm.
She gave birth to a baby Lordship inside the jail.
Hmm.
So considering all those aspects, Lordship, she may be at this stage, Lordship, let's see, only a trial.
Submitted on 10/7/25. Under section 21, 21 juncture, on open application. And at 10 kilometer there, says on 18/9/25. But I have to contact the foreigners one. Like my details.
What?
And Lordship, moreover, section
That handbag
Lordship.
from which it was recovered.
Yes.
Anything to show whose handbag was it?
For 80 Lordship of PNNs, that may be considered Lordship.
Huh?
For 80.
What does it say?
Lordship,
Tell us, what does it
kindly
say?
have a look. Lordship, if it is a woman, sick or infirm, Honorable Court may consider the welfare even in a serious offense.
He gave a birth hand on 25.
Huh.
Inside the jail, that has and baby is
This is what
also
you were
suffering.
saying.
Lordship, I am only for the lady, not for other two. That may Lordship may consider. And
Earlier rejection order was is 56.
by the trial court,
16/10/25.
by the learned trial court, last.
When was the birth?
30.
3010.
Lordship. Annexure 6, page 36 is the order passed by the learned trial court rejecting the prayer of the petitioner without considering section 47, 48 and Lordship 36.
Am I reading it wrong, sir? Three suspected persons, namely Nene Doengia, 25 years. Can we have page 36?
Yeah.
The names, can you find it? It's somewhere in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Nene Doengia is 25 years. Two.
Sanction 15 years.
Ah,
And Khemu sanction
11 years.
11 years. How we can compare?
Ah.
With the plenty of that is
Lady, Lordship, that may be.
It was
may not be,
recovered.
and already.
Who is
departed.
coming? Where does she come in?
her name is
Lordship, her age 31 years, as per as a her Lordship. Page 14, page 14.
Khemnu Sangsam, who is
She's wife
11
of
years? There is a typographical error.
Lordship, Lordship. That may be.
And you are moving it for
Khemu sanction.
Demo sanction,
that lady itself, na?
Lordship, lady.
It's only evidence test, so no PWD are examined yet. So next day, last day was 8-1 for evidence. And next day, I think. No, since she has given birth. Yes. Under all the stringent conditions, not allowing her to move out of the district. Can it be, no, out of the district, out of the jurisdiction of the child court? She would not move out of the jurisdiction of the trial court, only because she's got a minor child to look at, not inside the, we don't want life coming into. Huh? Only on that ground. Only everything is the deduction. Hard DD general. Huh? Bail application under section 483 of the PNSS. It's a PS case number DD page number 1 no? Delay. Trial court scan copy of trial court records has been received. Learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has given birth to a child on 31/10/2025. Stop. He has prayed that, keeping in view the fact that the investigation is complete. And charge sheet has been, and the trial is now under process, comma, where no, is now under, the trial is now proceeding. At the stage of evidence, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that looking at the welfare of the newborn child, the prayer for bail may be considered subject to such stringent conditions as may be deemed fit and necessary by this court. Full stop. The learned PP has submitted objections to the prayer made by stating that the offense being a serious one under the NDPS and the trial being at a very nascent stage, the prayer for bail need not be considered at this stage. Full stop. We have heard the learned counsel for the parties. Given the facts and circumstances of the case, more particularly the fact that the petitioner has that the petitioner has a child of 3 months who was born within the jail premises during her custody itself. This court is of the opinion that the petitioner can be granted the privilege of bail at this stage, subject to stringent conditions which to ensure her participation in the trial proceedings. Full stop. Therefore, conditions we will have 2 sureties of the like amount at rupees 40,000 each. One has to be a local surety.
Local.
One has to come. One local surety. And not to
cause
leave.
hardship to her lordship.
Because
she is from Dimahasur lordship.
She has to arrange someone here. She has to arrange. We can consider, but it has to be, we have to ensure. So one local surety and not to leave the jurisdiction of the trial court without written permission. Absence on any of the dates fixed may lead to cancellation of the bail.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in this case, Lordship may kindly allow me to file one additional affidavit, Lordship.
To do what?
Lordship,
What would you like to bring on record?
Lordship, the recent rejection order.
Recent?
The last rejection order is in page 62, Lordship, but the recent one that has been left out, Lordship, that is an inadvertent error on my part, Lordship. So that may.
Page 62 is
Page
3/1/2025. There is another rejection after this.
Yes, Lordship. 29/10/2025 is the last rejection order.
The learned counsel for the petitioner prays for being granted an opportunity to bring on record the earlier orders passed by this court with regard to the petitioner, full stop, comma, which was inadvertently not filed with the bail petition, full stop. Prayer made is granted. Place this matter again on when?
Lordship, any date.
28th of January. 28th of January, along with the additional affidavit proposed to be filed on behalf of the petition. তেওঁলোকে থাকিব নোৱাৰে। কোনটো আইটেম কিমান? সেইটো আইটেম 35 হয়তো তেওঁ she has taken time for additional affidavit.
So bless.
স্কুলটো গুচাই দিয়ে। Yes.
Receipt the case diary, but
Ah.
postmortem report is not received yet. 58 is in custody, Lordships. The FIR, your Lordship will find a page 12, Lordships. Barnacular affair, Lordship.
Sorry?
The Barnacular affair, your Lordship will find a page 12, Lordship.
Yes, what happened? What happened?
Lordship, may read the affair, Lordship, page 12, Lordship. Barnacular affair, Lordship.
গাড়ীলৈ যোৱা বুলি মোৰ খুৰা
Page is that, Lordship?
পুনৰ খুৰা পৰি থকা অৱস্থাত শৰীৰৰ বিভিন্ন অংশত ভৰিয়া জখমী কৰে খুৰাক।
Details are there. One is the statement of the witnesses are there. There are IDs there. Eyewitnesses there are indicating the petitioner Lordship. Yes. Kick them, punch them. Is it?
Lordship, the incident was that, Lordship, the villagers were supposed to visit the Jubin Khetra of the Sunapur, Lordship. No, the deceased person, Lordship, he
refused.
No, Lordship, when a Duncan state, Lordship, he get into the bus, Lordship, and create some havoc situation inside the bus, Lordship. And some Lordship push and Lordship swap was there, Lordship, then he fell down from the bus, Lordship, and got a head injury, Lordship. Subsequently, he succumbed to his died, Lordship.
Due to head injury.
Lordship.
But going to the statement of the witnesses, the 3 persons were brutally assaulted the deceased, and therefore, after that, he has died in the spot.
58 is in
Case diary received.
Case diary received, but the postmortem report is not received.
Do we need it at this stage?
short death may be given, Lordship. The postmortem report may be called for, Lordship, with a short death.
3 persons
Lordship. Let the case diary,
jumping upon that person.
Postmortem report may be called for, Lordship. The exact.
So do we have that inquest and all? No.
Specifically named the 3 persons, one of them is one.
My instruction is that, Lordship, he got a head injury, Lordship. As for the affair, Lordship, they have kicked in the private part, Lordship.
This attitude of taking the law into their own hands.
Postmortem report may be called for, Lordship, for that. Postmortem report, Lordship, is not there.
PP submits that the postmortem report is yet to be received. List again on 28th of January 2026. Along with the postmortem report.
40% as per office note dated 8/1/26. No steps has been received by the registry also.
Perhaps the petitioner has also not received steps. None appears for the petitioner on call. List again on 27th of January 2026. At 2, sir? At 2? You are here? Or should we take it up now? At 2? FSL, is it come?
Yeah, my lord, with all respect, my lord. He is, my lord, in charge of a, my lord, transportation business, my lord. He is the in charge of a warehouse, my lord, where transportation business is being carried out. Say goods come from Delhi, it comes to Guwahati, Thereafter,
Store.
and goods are booked in Delhi, my lord, so far as this case is concerned, my lord,
Hmm.
it will go to other destinations of any region, my lord. So hub is here in Guwahati, my lord. I am the hub head, my lord. With all respect, my lord. There, how, my lord, with all respect, my lord. Lordship, may I kindly have a look at the affair that occurs at page 20, my lord. 20, it says exactly the same thing, my lord. Goods have been booked from Delhi, and thereafter, it reaches Guwahati hub. From Guwahati hub, it is being sent to Agartala, my lord. My lord, if I read it in the first paragraph, my lord, it has been found from, leaving aside 3 lines from the top, the truck was driven by a person, namely Ande Rice, goes on and on, my lord. During conducting checking, some blanket bundles were unloaded from the truck, and it comes to be seen that a huge quantity of illegal it would have been banned, my lord. Banned cough syrup were present in the truck, which were concealed inside the electric panel boxes, my lord. This is so far as the affair. Then I turn the page, my lord. I'm not reading of everything in entirety, my lord. Whatever is relevant. Para 21. Next, my lord, 2 chronologically. Last lines, my lord. Net weight of the cough syrup containing codeine phosphate is Iman bottles. Iman so and so. 351 kgs. Definitely commercial quantity, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, with all respect, next page, my lord. From the top, my lord. Containing 50 numbers of bottles, all the panel boxes were packed with wooden pies and kept concealed by other items such as bed sheet. The concealing party may not be true, my lord. I'll come later on, my lord. Blanket, hardware items, etc. The truck was driven by the driver MD Reis. The tarpaulin of the said truck was removed to check the items. This is very important, my lord. All the panel boxes were not open, my lord. Opened on one side. Opened on one side. Have I made my position clear, my lord? It was closed with the help of TMT rod and hammer in presence of independent witnesses, my lord.
So it was hidden in some part of the truck that we have understood.
It was in the truck. So far as this language goes, my lord, this is hidden, my lord. Now I'll show the, my lord, with all respect, my lord, the inventory list a little bit later on, my lord.
Consignment booked at Delhi, not
It is inside the consignment booked from Delhi, my lord. That would be apparent, my lord. I'll be placing papers, my lord. Thereafter, 4, my lord. The 12 numbers of empty electrical panel boxes used to be kept concealed, the cup syrup. Inside seal containers. Have I made my position clear, my lord? Thereafter, my lord, 7. One invoice, this is very important, my lord. Namely, Mrs. Vaishno Traders, AC number so-and-so, along with UA bill and transport. And this would clarify that all these goods came from Delhi, my lord. This much, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, Lordship, may kindly have a look at page 24. That he has been arrested merely on the basis of statement of the co-accused, my lord. Page 24, grounds of arrest. The interrogational statement of the MD Reis, the driver, my lord. Driver, my lord, had revealed that the seized consignment has been loaded from the godown of the accused, Sunil Kumar, under Gorsuk police station. Thus, linkage has been established in between the arrested driver MD Reis and Sunil Kumar. Now, my lord, the goods come, with all respect, my lord, to next line. Next, 2, my lord. The accused person is in charge of a godown at Lulangu under Gorsuk police station, Kamrup, Assam, and suspected codeine phosphate, so-and-so, all cough syrups, my lord, Assam, and suspected codeine phosphate, so-and-so, were concealed on the backside of ETA Logistical Private Limited godown warehouse.
Just 1 minute, Mr. Mohan, just 1 minute. Mr. Goswami, can you just see anything to show any recovery from the godown? No. Anywhere if there is any reference that something has been recovered from the godown. Yes, sir.
My lord.
EITA employee.
24, I am reading, my lord. I have read, my lord, with all respect, my lord, that on the statement of a co-accused, I have been arrested. My lord, in the godown, my lord, there can be further materials, my lord. Lordship's query, it may be there, may not be there. I don't know, my lord. Because, my lord, The next page will show.
What I was trying to find out is was concealed in the backside of EITA. Whether only this part was concealed and that was being transported, or whether something more has been recovered to show that the godown was in engagement of such a.
Maybe,
We're
maybe.
just trying to find out. Yes.
My lord, another line, my lord. In the godown, it may not be there in the CD, my lord. They may not have charged it, my lord. They may have charged it, found out, because consignments are coming, my lord, regularly from Delhi. That consignee, my lord, Vaishno Devi, my lord. I'll read that, my lord. I may be wrong, my lord. Lordship may be thinking on, my lord, may be correct. But now I come to my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look at my lord with all respect. With all respect, my lord. Page 34, my lord. This is the booking slip, my lord. And then I'll come to para 10, page 7. I have explained, my lord. This is Ma Vaishno Devi Traders, my lord. With all respect, it is booked.
Going to Shamal Kumar Bhaumik.
Going to Shamal Kumar Bhaumik, Agartala, my lord. So it has to be unloaded in Guwahati hub, thereafter reloaded, and truck proceeds to Agartala, my lord.
One truck brings it from Delhi to
some other
Guwahati.
truck, my lord.
Some truck brings it. It is unloaded
To
here,
Guwahati hub.
fresh loading into another truck, and then it moves. That is the
Goes
process.
to, yeah, the Guwahati is the hub, my lord, for any reason, my lord.
Description of goods.
And description of goods, kindly see, my lord. 12, my lord. Electrical panel boxes.
Page number
34, my lord. Electrical panel boxes, my lord. Seal, my lord. It is not that I broke it in between, my lord. I being the in charge, my lord.
It was broken by the police using TMT.
Using TMT, but police broke it, my lord, as per their own statement. Now, my lord, let me come to para 10, page 7, para 10, my lord. Our explanation, my lord. Page 7, para 10, my lord. May I read? May I? The accused petitioner beg to state that in the instant case, one consignment was booked by Ma Vaishno Devi Traders, Delhi, so and so. That consignment was to be sent to Mr. Shamal Kumar Bhaumik at Tripura, Agartala. In the description of the goods, it was clearly stated that a consignment was of 12 electrical boxes. Goes on and on, my lord. The accused petitioner, being in charge of the warehouse, was not involved in the booking process, and the only job of the accused petitioner is to supervise the process of loading, unloading as per the manifest. As such, have I made my position clear, my lord? It was reloaded to. Thereafter, my lord, the EUA bill, it cannot be manipulated, my lord. EUA bill, my lord, that occurs at page 35, my lord.
From
Lordship may have seen, my lord. From Ma Vaishno Devi Traders, Delhi to Messrs. Shamal Kumar Bhaumik, Tripura. Consignor, my lord. Thereafter, my lord,
legal details, same curry.
vehicle number, my lord, road AC so and so 17920. This is the vehicle number, my lord, on which it was seized, my lord. After being reloaded at the Guwahati hub, then it was sent to Agartala, my lord, and entered date so and so, my lord. And it goes to Agartala. Jwatu kot lekha ase.
From Guwahati, Agartala.
From Guwahati, it will go to, my lord, Shamal Kumar Bhaumik, Tripura. Very much, my lord. And the main, what are the goods were there, my lord? With all this, Ita Logistic Private Limited, dispatch memo 36. There I come to 3, my lord. Shamal Kumar Bhaumik, electrical goods, as is there in the paper, my lord. To Agartala, my lord. And my lord, the Lukua, sorry, my lord, concealing parties, these are the other goods, my lord. To Agartala, bedsheet, CP goods, Lordship has seen, my lord, entire inventory, my lord.
This was in the truck.
This was in the truck, my lord. So hiding it by bedsheet, my lord, is untrue. Because that was a factual metric, my lord. From Delhi, it comes here, reloaded into a truck, which goes to Agartala. Apart from that codeine container, allegedly containing electrical goods, my lord. Have I made my position clear, my lord? It was also carrying bedsheet and everything, my lord. And this is the Ita Logistics Private Limited dispatch memo, my lord, by the truck, my lord.
Truck number is this.
Truck number is there at the top, my lord.
Mm.
Lorry number AS01EC052A. In similarly situated cases, my lord, this court has dealt with exactly similarly situated matters, my lord, and granted bail on factual metrics. And here the constitutional violation is also there, my lord. This much, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, with all respect, my lord. My lord, can I come to some orders exactly similar, my lord, similarly situated, my lord? Lordship, may kindly have a look at page 44.
I think page 47 will be more to the point.
Yeah, yes, my, it begins from page 46, my lord.
Yes. He was the operational manager, huh?
Here, my lord, driver, furthermore, my lord, culpable. Here, manager, my lord, page 46. Same, my lord. My lord, my lord, 5 I am reading out, my lord. I'll also have found, my lord. Now, my lord, page 49, from 14 I am reading, my lord. May I? From materials available on record, it appears that the seized contraband were in the form of consignment that neither originated from the place where it was seized, nor meant for the place from it was seized. This is the language, my lord. It was booked at Patna and it was meant for Shillong, and it was booked through a courier agency and were in a sealed condition. Exactly the same, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the warehouse from where the contraband seized was only a transit hub, where it was kept for onward transmission. It also appears that the contraband were booked as food items at the time of booking of the consignment. Here it is, my lord, electrical goods, my lord. There, my lord, therefore, it is unlikely for an intermediary like the supervisor of a warehouse. I am the supervisor of that particular warehouse, my lord. In charge, my lord. Vicariously liable, that vicarious liability doesn't exist, my lord. To know about the contents of the cartoons and bags unless these are still are broken and the contents were looked into by opening the same, which was not done in this case, my lord. It was sealed by, my lord, hammer and tongs, my lord, with all respect, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, I read, my lord, page 49. Page 49, my lord. Page 49, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
My lord, sorry, my lord, 47 and 48, the statute says differently, my lord. Parameters are different, my lord. But, my lord, fortunately, for defense, my lord, that Vihan, my lord, Vihan has made it, my lord, with all Vihan to guide it. My lord, Lordship knows, my lord, and just reiterating, my lord, this authority has made it, my lord, the similar parameters, my lord. My lord, Vihan, my lord, parting paragraph, my lord. Not parting paragraph, one but the last paragraph, para 2, my lord. Here it states, my lord, the said constitution, leaving aside 5-10 lines from the top, my lord, the said constitutional mandate has been incorporated in the statute under section 50 of the CRPC, with parenthesis, section 47 of the BNSS. Now, my lord, that it is on the same parameter is to be followed. It may also be noted that the aforesaid provision of requirement of communicating the grounds of arrest, for communicating the grounds of arrest, to be purposeful, is also required to be communicated to the friends, relatives, or such other person, meaning thereby 50 and 50A, same parameters, meaning thereby 47, 48, same parameters, my lord. With all respect, my lord. Here it has been sent, my lord. Apparent, my lord, they cannot correct it, my lord. Page 56 of our application, my lord. My lord, from Bajarisala police station, from there to relatives, my lord, by to, my lord, with all respect, my lord, send WT message. Page 57, my lord. To relatives, it was sent to the local police station, endemic police station of the relatives, my lord. Send WT message.
Doesn't show who has received it.
No, that would be the
Received at the police station.
received by the police station, my lord.
So the
person has not received it. It would be clear from the diary, my lord. It would be clear from the diary, my lord. Definitely it is there in the diary, but nobody has received it. We incurred in the local police station also, my lord. That is why I am sanguine, my lord. It is there in the diary and nobody has received it, my lord. And my lord, this much, my lord. And here, my lord, can I just, again, for the sake of 48, my lord, may not be necessary, my lord. Now the law is very clear, my lord, because parameters of 47 and 48, as per Vihan, same, my lord. Article 141, lordship knows more than me, I am not repeat, my lord. Now, what has happened, my lord? The law now is, my lord, that within 24 hours prior to production, not that I'm saying within why 2 years. Oh, sorry, not 2 hours, 2 years, my lord, 2 hours just prior to production, my lord. It would be applicable as regards 47. When it is applicable as regards 47, my lord, looking into those lines contained in para 2 of the Dhihan judgment, my lord, it has to be regarding 48 also, my lord, the same parameters, my lord. And the
That is what we were trying to find out in another case. A wrong address is given, a wrong telephone number is given, or the person to be informed is at a place where you cannot do it within 24 hours. What happens then?
Well, that's if that scenario develops, my lord, either lordship.
Kindly see, the person to be informed is in Haryana.
I have
Case
understood.
56. I
have understood that, my lord, query by way of an authority, either apex court or your lordships, my lord.
So,
But WhatsApp is gone, my lord. That authority is there, my lord. It cannot be sent. Supreme Court is clear, my lord. By WhatsApp, it cannot be sent.
Now here they have given an address.
My lord.
That address, the police station is traced out. That
My
we will send a WT message to so-and-so police station.
Exactly, my lord.
Now from that police station to deliver it,
manually it has to go.
it has to go. Now
And it
that
has to
if
be
that
signed.
police station makes a delay,
It goes,
that police station makes a delay,
my lord.
that I have to inform. I can transmit it. I do not control that police station is
Okay.
what the police would say.
My lord, can it be, my lord? It will be always in favor of the accused, my lord. It has to be, my lord.
To the extent that the entire arrest fails, would it
Yes,
be
sir.
so is what we are trying to find out in different cases.
Very correct, my lord. That
In one particular case, we found that some address in Tirupur was given, message was sent, Tirupur made all out efforts. The address given did not have any such person of that name.
Lordship is correct.
Now this man has made the
Joke of the
mistake.
system, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Then what happens? How far can
My
you
lord,
say?
the answer is possibly,
The rubble is
answer
not very
possibly lies here, my lord. It may be, may not be, my lord.
Let us see.
May not be,
Where?
my lord. Unkhini? My lord, this is, my lord, we told para 55, my lord. Of Mihir Rajesh, my lord. My lord, partially it may answer, my lord, may not also, my lord. May I continue? It goes without saying that in the above mentioned schedule, for supplying the grounds of arrest in writing is not adhered to, the arrest will be rendered illegal, entitling the release of the arrestee. On such release, an application for remand or custody, if required, will be moved, along with the reasons and necessity for the same, after the supply of the grounds of arrest in writing, setting forth the explanation for non-supply thereof within the above stipulated schedule.
The requirement of giving the grounds of arrest to the arrested person,
my lord,
2 hours before he is produced,
my lord,
no qualms at all, has to be done.
My
It
lord.
has to be done under any circumstances.
Lord, I
Now,
have understood.
these are organized crime
My lord.
in many special.
No, Lordship
They-
is
they-
correct.
They are organized.
Ah,
You get arrested, you give the name of such and such person.
Lordship is correct, my lord.
So I give the name of such and such person.
My lord.
The WT message goes.
My lord.
That particular person,
Yes.
for that particular 48 hours
Yes, my lord.
or 24 hours, has to keep on the run
I
in
have-
a auto rickshaw.
I have understood.
And the police keeps following him. Arrest goes.
Now,
He need be.
anyway,
It
my
cannot
lord,
be.
why, huh?
It cannot be.
Huh?
Otherwise, this will be, if we do it because the relatives have not been informed.
My lord,
that
can I,
ground we are
can I,
finding a
can I,
bit
can I,
difficult.
can I, my lord, as you, this is the right question, my
Ah.
lord. Then police need not have to search the entire art or the heaven even, my lord, that is
Ah.
not necessary.
Ah.
They'll have to give a note in the case diary.
That is one
If they
aspect.
do not give,
Now the second aspect. Why the relatives have to be informed? So that they can make immediate arrangements for him to be
Lawyer,
deported.
lawyer.
Now, this person is arrested, let us say somewhere in
I have
the-
understood.
In the
I have
very-
understood. Over
He
phone,
gi-
they can arrange a lawyer, my lord.
He
There is no
gives an
bar.
address of the, at Tirupur,
My lord.
very genuinely.
Yeah.
That wife is, she's a house lady who is not educated, who does not know anybody here.
My lord, my lord. Goes, my lord.
What
My
will do?
lord,
She will not be able to get a lawyer here.
Normal procedure would be, my lord.
Possibly practically when we apply
Not
this one, when we practically apply, if there are other grounds,
Yes, yes, my lord.
we do not go into that part as of now.
Well, my why lordship would clarify, this is a good question, my lord.
Mm.
That has to be lordship's understanding of the matter. If in black and white, that would be law, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, visualizing a situation, not answering to it, my lord.
To
Sorry, my
make it
lord.
a law, to make it a law, we must come up with a case where the state comes up with a stand. We went there, it's a false address. He kept running. Now what to do? That is when we will answer, not in
Now, my
cases
lord,
like
here
this.
in this case, what has happened, my lord?
Let us just try to find out whether the continued custody is required or not.
My lord, my lord,
Let's
my
find
lord.
out.
As your lordship may please, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Goswami. The driver, the person running it, the person loading the vehicle. The one who was loading the vehicle. We have we are not concerned with them. We are only concerned with the in charge. Something came from there, something was loaded. The in charge is sitting on his table. 500 electrical boxes come, 500 electrical boxes loaded. Is he required to check each box, what it contains?
Another 1,300 bottles of codeine phosphate.
Where?
From the godown.
From this
EIT
from where is the in charge?
Yes. And
That gives a different color, yes.
it is that Sunil Kumar was the operational manager in charge of the
Mm.
godown from where the suspected 3,000 number of days. And he was in charge of the godown. The EIT logistics.
That is. Tell us what was recovered from the godown. So something that this material has been recovered from the godown.
Yes. It is 100 bottles.
আমি lead করা নাই পাবো একটু পাই দেখে my lord, that query, my lord,
Yes.
in seal containers, my lord, like electrical goods, my lord. Whatever has been seized, my lord, it comes from the consignor, my lord.
That is what we are trying to say. Just give us 1 minute.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And lordship's first query, not now, my lord. I'll place that, my lord. সেইটো আহিছে সেইটো লৈ পেলাই বেলেগ লৈ যাব মোৰতো দায়িত্ব নাই তাত
The items which have been found inside that electrical boxes are codeine, phosphate, and same thing.
That at on that truck 2,000, here 1,300.
Where is that articles which have been seized? Description of the articles seized. Difficulty, sir. What has been found in the godown?
Godown there will be, my lord.
Whatever is found in the godown, PKSL 103 is the batch number.
My lord.
Found in the godown.
Okay. Yes.
In the godown.
My lord.
And the one which is seized inside the truck.
My lord.
Same thing.
Different. Same.
Same.
My
Batch
lord,
number is the same.
It has to be
If the batch number is the same,
more, whatever quantity is sent, my lord, by 2 different or 3 different challans, my lord. One part is loaded to Agartala, my lord.
What is caught is inside the electrical panel. And here what is recovered in the godown is not inside the electrical panel.
Was sealed, no?
Seal, my lord. It has to be sealed, my lord.
In the electrical godown, it is not under seal.
Not under seal. Straight away, codeine phosphate cannot come, my lord.
That is what we are saying.
That cannot come, my lord. That has to be in containers, my lord.
Found concealed in the backside of EIT. Here they do not say that it is concealed inside that electrical panel.
My lord.
Because being the in charge, to some extent, one must know what is going on. If nothing was found in the godown, if it was transport to transport, the situation would have been very different.
My lord, can I just...
Please.
My lord, in the godown, if one batch comes, my lord, it's the hub here, my lord.
I understand.
My lord, people sending from Delhi, same consignor must be, my lord, has to be. Person who sent it, my lord. It has to be codeine, my lord. Police may have, my lord, while searching, they may have torn it, but it cannot come in codeine form, my lord. If that is proved, I should not get bail, my lord. It cannot come in codeine form, my lord. It cannot, my lord.
1300 seized here, na?
Yes, my lord.
And a statement from the driver also, which also implicated that he has the instruction of the manager also PS to the contract and option.
মানে সেইখন ট্ৰাকত উঠাইছিল নেকি 1300 আৰু উঠালে হয় মানে
The same batch number of codeine,
my lord,
which is found concealed in the electrical panel, same batch number codeine,
my lord,
is found on the backside of the same
godown, my lord,
which is not concealed in electrical panel. It has come, it is there available without the electrical panel.
my lord.
So what you are saying is correct. If it had come from Delhi sealed and packed, it has to go. Now,
My lord.
if this is being loaded in Guwahati,
My lord.
codeine will be found without the electrical panel.
can I-
Once the electrical panel reaches, it can be put inside and sealed.
Okay, can I just explain it, my lord?
Electrical panel powerটা আছে powerটা শেষ করে
Electrical panel by the challan, my lord. By the challan, 12 came, my lord. 12 were sent. If the rest, my lord, it cannot kindly see, my lord, visualize. It comes in codeine form from Delhi to Guwahati, it will be seized there.
It need not come. Now it is being loaded from Guwahati to Tripura. Nothing came from Delhi. Something arranged in Guwahati
No,
in
that
some
would be-
other by some other mode of transport uncut
No, lordship is
is
correct.
now being loaded into electrical.
No, lordship is correct, but that is also a question, my lord. But my lord, that to visualize it, my lord, we are visualizing it, my lord. It is a hub, my lord.
We are not trying to visualize whether
We cannot
how it
buy
was done.
codeine from Guwahati.
How it was done. What I am trying to visualize is whether the manager has to know what is going on inside that campus
Exactly,
or
my
not.
lord. Can I just?
The orders which you have given here,
Yes, my lord.
there
Still,
this
all
part,
still.
this part was not there.
All
Something came, something loaded, something gone.
Exactly, my lord.
Here a further recovery is there from the
Absolutely,
godown
absolutely.
itself.
Absolutely, my lord. Then in that event, my lord, with all respect, my lord, whether it was, if there anything, my lord,
Plastic sacks.
my lord,
Plastic sacks.
plastic,
These other codeine, these bottles or whatever the bottles of codeine
my lord.
were found in plastic sacks within the.
Anyway, my lord, that factual matrix, my lord, my lord, if that is, my lord, lordship feels that we have procured it here in Guwahati.
No, I'm just trying to visualize a situation where you may not have procured it, but where you acknowledge that this is going on.
My lord, police seizing it, my lord, they may have, of course, may have will not do place in criminal law, but my lord, they may have broken it and placed it like this, because whatever is seized from the electrical cartoons, my lord. Have I made my position clear, my lord? When lordship raised that query, I immediately say, in the godown, there can be, yes, my lord, there can be further recoveries because it comes in the form of iron goods or something else, but codeine is there. Here Lordship had said that no containers. No containers, my lord. In sacks. What is written there in the sacks, my lord? We have this is the sack covers, my lord. That will be paramount.
Signed. Sex signatures were taken on the sex also.
No,
not at the time of seizing, when it was.
when it was loaded, my lord. Or when it was procured, local, that evidence has to be there, my lord.
No, those will all be matter of trial. What was seized from where, who could have put it there, who could have not.
Fine.
For me
The
to
state of
grant
bail.
bail,
No, no, at the stage of
I
bail,
must, with
Lordship is correct.
NCPS, I must be to some extent
Lordship is
convinced
correct.
that he may not be involved at all.
Oh, exactly. Lordship is
That is
correct.
what I'm
my lord.
trying to find
Lordship
out.
is correct, my lord. Can you see if the sacks are, there has to be some evidence that we have bought it here, or it must have come from outside, my lord. And then there are sacks, possibly, my lord, not iron sacks. Then, my lord, in gunny bags, whatever it is, those are to be recovered, my lord. My lord, nobody will, my lord.
So at this stage, can we say that the man does not require,
That your lordship would decide.
that man can be allowed to?
That your lordship will decide. And regarding that part, my lord, regarding 48 query, my lord, it is answered by the act itself, my lord. What police is to do. Answer is in black and white, my lord.
Tell us.
48(3), my lord.
Tell us.
That has to be there, my lord. Otherwise, it will not remain, my lord. 48(3), my lord. How it is to be served, my lord.
Yes.
If it is, my lord, fake address or anything, it has to be here itself. And lordship may have found, my lord. An entry of the fact as to who has been informed of arrest of such person shall be made in a book to be kept in the police station in such form as the state government may by rules provide. If they do not find anyone, that the address is redundant, my lord, they have to write it there. Otherwise,
that is what is also
if
disturbing
it
this
is
whole-
there, then, my lord, then nobody will get the benefit. That they write that the addressee is fake, addressee given is fake, then there may not be violation of 48. When they do not write, they do not maintain the prescribed book because it's a
the
statutory
time
public.
prescribed to inform is,
My lord,
after the arrest, what is the time prescribed to inform?
2 hours.
Huh?
2 hours.
2 hours before production, before the.
That is as against 47. Why I am saying, drawing a parallel, that 47, 48 are same because of Vihan, those lines, my lord.
Now the police station here gives, the arresting authority here gives an information to.
Immediately
the
it
other-
goes, my lord.
It goes.
WT, it goes
Now-
immediately. It reaches. Then he has to write in the book that I do not find because police station is
That
not.
information has to come from that place. That no one could be found there by that police station.
Exactly, my lord.
How long does it take to, how long
No,
does he take to respond?
My lord, lordship is correct. As I have understood, my lord, I may be wrong, lordship. Kindly see, Guwahati sends it to Aizawl, my lord, Bateli Sera. Assuming it goes immediately, within 2 hours, might take 5 minutes. Jiffy, my lord, talk. What he is to do, endemic police station area is how many kilometers? 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers, either way, my lord. 4 into 4, 16 kilometers. He is to deliver it within 22 hours, my lord. If he finds nobody, he gives a note in that 3 column, my lord.
The other station gives.
Exactly. And
Then he records it.
No, my lord. Only he is to record it, my lord. That Bateli Sara police, where I send. Over telephone, that information will come, that nobody has been found out. It is not that within 2 hours the information has to reach Guwahati. No. And the procedure would be, my lord, procedure is also defined, 145-207, my lord.
The BNS.
Of the BNS, my lord.
That we will see on a later, where?
207.
145, penal provision.
207.
145, section 207, my lord. Page 145, this book, my lord. Section 207, my lord.
The BNS.
Then penal provision will arise, my lord. If they do not find, they have to register a case, my lord. Otherwise, this is that will be only, my lord, language. Because that's a penal provision, assuming nobody, if somebody refuses, not found, is to register a case under section 207, POG or non-POG, my lord, either way.
When was he arrested?
Haryana.
Huh?
That is a Haryana. So message was there, but whether he kept or not, that is not clear in the 14 notice.
No, Haryana no, I'm to Guwahati manu, bhai.
No, the address, it has to be at the person nominated by the arrested person.
Yes.
So the arrested person nominated someone from Haryana.
Me. Oh, sorry, then it will go
So
to
therefore
Haryana.
it went to Haryana.
Haryana.
This does not contain what happened at Haryana, we do not know. So we did not
No,
try to
Haryana,
find out.
it is there, my lord. Haryana will found out. Can it be charged? It is there in the diary, this 48, my lord. Nobody signed it.
Nobody signed it here, certificate copy.
We have got the certified copy also annexed, my lord.
Where?
Page 57 itself, my lord. No signature.
Signing is there, but whether just signed or
No,
not.
My
did
lord,
you-
signing is necessary, my lord.
Did you
Not
try to
signing, not
find
receiving.
out- Did you try to find out what happened in Haryana?
Yes.
Was anybody informed? Anything to
No.
show?
He has not in the case.
Page
Only a WT
57,
sent
my
and you forgot about it. WT was sent.
Yes.
Thereafter what happened?
57 to dekhailo.
That is what we are trying to ask you. You sent a notice through WT. What happened? What happened to that notice? Was it served, not served? Did you send it to the correct police station? Did the police receive it at all? Did that police station get the information? Please do.
My lord, this query.
Perhaps in one of the matters we have held so,
Yes.
that if you have not taken any further steps to find out after you send the notice, then the very intent of that notice goes.
Certified copy. 57 is certified copy, my lord. And this situation arose in another case, my lord. That also we have annexed and what the court has said, my lord.
Where?
That is at page 68, my lord.
Page 68.
Page 64.
It starts at page 64, my lord. Page 68 is the operative pipe, para 13, my lord. Can I read it?
Just a minute.
May prosecution,
This we have also dealt with in our case. From Rodho Das, I remember. Yes, I have. 68, 69 is when the arrest was made, the wife was present and
yeah, say.
it was not served upon her.
Not-
Here we do not find that situation. Here he gives
No,
the
no.
name of a person who is in.
Here, Sondodar is also present.
Here, Sondodhar Das was also present in that given
But his
case.
signature was not taken.
But his signature was not taken. On that ground it went.
That is a different thing.
Why I'm saying, my lord, in our 48 notice, it reached the endemic police station, my lord. Endemic police station did not serve it because it is apparent in black and white.
Now, this under section 48, page 56, which you are referring to.
48.
Page 56 you are referring to. This notice under section 48.
Yes, my lord.
Page 56.
My lord.
Now, page 56, signature of informed person, mobile number, sent WT message.
My lord.
This is what was written by the police here. To
That
show
goes,
that
my lord.
it was sent by WT message.
My lord.
What I have asked of him is, you sent it there.
My lord.
Did you follow it up?
I have
If they have not followed it up, sending it makes no sense.
My lord, why I am saying, I may be wrong, my lord, what I am saying, what police does, my lord, when the WT message goes, WT message is taken out, my lord. They do not have time to write another forwarding letter and address it to the relative, my lord. Whatever is sent, kindly see, my lord, whatever is sent, whatever is taken out from the machine,
that is
taken to the house, signature is taken.
Exactly.
Why I am saying, in that notice,
We are one step pre to that.
no, subsequent
The
to that,
letter is, the WT message is sent from Guwahati to Haryana.
my lord,
Once it is sent
my lord,
and Guwahati forgets about it,
my lord.
I will not ask Haryana what happened.
Oh, yes, my lord, they have already forgotten about it,
So the moment you forget after sending the notice,
my lord.
can it be said that ample efforts were made to serve? No. If
It
that
helps the accused, my lord. I have
if you had not made the efforts,
exactly.
the notice part is only half
Yes.
done.
Effort not made, 207, BNS not resorted to.
My lord, effort not
What's that
taken.
mean?
No, my lord. Why not taken up apparent, my lord? In that event, 207 would be resorted to, my lord. 207 not resorted. Ask him whether they have registered a case cog or non-cog.
We are simply asking
Oh,
him,
sorry,
throw us
sorry.
one letter to Haryana that, yes, sir, have you
My lord,
served it?
I have understood. I have better, my lord. Lordship is one step ahead.
If
I'm
that
sorry.
comes in,
My lord. Lordship
then
is one
maybe
step
we
ahead.
can-
Yes, my lord. কিন্তু কেতিয়াও নাই কৰা।
what?
They have
Send it.
sent it.
Will that do? Only sent it will do. This is you are dealing with personal liberty. 47, 48, Article 21, everybody's, is it not?
Yes.
The other part where I am not involved, I don't know what is happening in the.
Go down.
Initially, we were with him. Yes, it's a go down, big go down. You may not know. Recovery, okay. 47, all grounds given, very good. Did it ever reach? Unless if there was one case where Mr. KL had appeared. Perhaps Mr. K NCB matter. A similar thing had happened. The person was from Tirupur. 650 kgs or something of ganja. No follow-up action as to whether it was
Served or not.
served or not. Ah. I don't remember what I did, but I did something on it. I did something on that service part. We'll have to find out.
Otherwise, I'm actually material certain against this one.
It could be. But if this notice 47, 48 notice has to be, we were not going into this notice part because if it has happened in the go down, he cannot simply absorb himself.
Yes, yes.
If
Yes, my lord. On merit.
the material has not been found in electrical panels which has come from outside.
Yes, my lord.
If he has been allowing the loading of it in materials which come from outside, then
Culpability
it
is
was a
there.
different chapter. We'd allow you to investigate, keeping him behind. But with this, then we'll have to answer this part also. The moment we reject it on that, we'll have to answer this part. If we reject it on that. If we allow it on that, then this part need not be answered.
My lord, 20.
Tomorrow. We'll
My
have it
lord.
tomorrow, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me also find out that
Yes,
judgment I'm saying.
My lord,
It's going
another
on in my
aspect,
mind.
just for I'm putting further more emphasis.
Huh.
In that situation, my lord, what comes to my rescue, as I have understood as a student of law, 207 of the BNS.
That they may do it today, tomorrow, maybe a
No,
month.
they are bound to do it, my lord. Otherwise, that will
Not
be an
immediately.
offense.
They are
That would
bound
be
to
an
do it, but
offense.
not immediately.
If they do not do it immediately, that would be an offense, my lord.
Then again,
Because Thana people.
it will proceed against them in an offense, but it will not come to your benefit.
No, sorry, my lord. My lord, I may be wrong, my lord. Possibly that shows the apathy, my lord, that nothing has been done.
That is
When
exactly
207 has not been resorted to.
that is exactly what we are trying to.
My lord, tomorrow, my
Into
lord.
the-
That will be tomorrow, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Oh, that was a man from Tirupur. Tirupur or something.
Maybe, my lord. Maybe, my lord.
The wife was required to be informed. The report came after about 15, 20 days. They wrote a letter. Have you served it? Then they got a report that we have not served it.
My lord, my lord.
We have not been able to
My
trace.
lord.
Why the 15 days delay? Is what we had dealt with.
Prior to that 2-hour period, my lord,
Huh.
good law in Assam was that Nia case, my lord. That division bench, my lord, with all respect, my lord. There, that 18 days time gap, my lord, it was sent that it was received no information in diary. Now, my lord, after arrest, it is, if that, tomorrow, my lord, yes, my lord.
Now, just let me try to find out if I've got something.
Nia to koi disu.
Kiba কৈ আছিলে কওক।
Nia jane. Kyo na jane? 239.
Case no relate to the case of
239, no?
What's the name? I think we'll have to do it.
239.
Stuff.
Yes, case to common notice to one.
Not being able to trace it out. Let us have it tomorrow.
My lord, my lord.
কাইলে কানা নিব পাৰিব নে? কাইলে কানা ৰচোন হেতু part চাই আহো।
My lord. My lord, Lordship may write down another section, my lord. If 207 is not resorted, then 239 BNS would be applicable section. That itself will be a proof that nothing, the apathy was there, nothing was carried out.
We just need to find out whether the entire effort to serve a notice under 47.
My lord. 48.
Under 48 to the relatives.
My lord.
All out efforts fail.
My
It's
lord.
a different issue.
Yes, my lord.
Half-hearted efforts dealing with Article 21.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
You
Yes.
say 20.
My lord, the penal section would be, if not done, 207, and the officials who are responsible would be booked, or not booked, my lord, prosecuted under section 239 BNS, my lord.
Mr. Goswami, here and there one bail or one rejection of bail may follow, but this will streamline.
My lord.
See, in the recent cases, the notices under 47 and 48, reasons and grounds, the challenge has now come down.
My lord, my lord.
Now the effort to serve it has to be streamlined.
Not.
Technicalities, if dealt with properly. That will either show whether the arresting authority was biased, was doing a fair act or not, would come out then.
My lord, my lord.
Let us streamline it as much as possible. We'll have it tomorrow, sir.
Yes, yes, my lord. Highly obliged.
List again tomorrow. I heard Mr. B.K. Mahajan, assisted by Swansa. And
my lord.
Again tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Lordship, I was in begging court number C.
No issues.
Here, Lordship, POXO Act is here, so at this stage, Lordship, notice may go to the respondent number 2, and in the meantime, records may be called for, Lordship.
That was the suggestion in the morning.
Lordship,
Someone wanted your presence for that. But Mr. So-and-so, a learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under section 482. Special POXO case number so-and-so. Issue notice to the respondent number 2 as per the prevalent notification.
TCR.
Call for the scanned copy of the TCR list again on 5th of February 2026.
Obliged, Lordship.
I'm being item 34.
Yes, sir.
Where the petitioners were behind the bar, 6/8/2025.
6/8, huh?
Yes, 2025. Lordship, the contraband basically recovered from petitioner number Lordship 1. And no, petition number 2, and nothing was recovered from petition number 1.
It was recovered from number 2 and not from number 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
They ride two different bikes, Lordship. And when the bikes was stopped on signal, and the contraband was recovered from petition number 2, not from accused number 1, Lordship. And Lordship, in this case, basically I have taken a plea, Lordship. That is section 36 of BNSS was not compliant, Lordship. Because while they were arrested, in the arrest memo, while the arrest memo were prepared, no signature of the attesting witness either any respectable person. So that's amounts to violation of Lordship Article 21, Lordship. Lordship, one judgment of the court in bench, Lordship elaborately discussed and held that non-compliance of 36 is a procedural lapse. So it's amount to violation of Article 21 and 22. On that ground, Lordship, the benefit goes to the accused person.
What does it say? However, the search of the accused person was made at the spot itself in presence of the executive magistrate.
Yes. That is correct, Lordship. But what exactly law says, Lordship? The procedure, Lordship. That is the question, Lordship.
Yes, to us. So even if it is done in the presence of an executive magistrate,
Yes, Lordship.
still there must be independent witnesses.
Yes, Lordship.
And local persons.
Yes, Lordship.
Where does it say so?
Yes, Lordship. The observation, Lordship, from page, paragraph 8, Lordship. From paragraph 8 of the judgment I referred, Lordship.
In this case also, there was an executive magistrate present
No, Lordship.
during the recovery?
No, Lordship, the exact law, Lordship, laid down. The Lordship. Yes, Lordship, paragraph 10, Lordship, and
Then we have seen, yes.
yes, Lordship, section 62 of BNSS, Lordship, had reported arrest to be made strictly according to the Sanhita, Lordship. No arrest shall be made except in accordance with the provision of this Sanhita or any other law for time being in force providing for arrest, Lordship. Because Lordship, the statutory Lordship provision, Lordship.
Charge sheet has already been filed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Respect of this contents of Lordship, I would like to plead some judgment and also make some argument, Lordship, if Lordship permits tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You have it tomorrow?
Yes, yes, sir.
Tomorrow?
Okay.
At the request of the learned people, heard Mr. So-and-so and counsel paying for the petitioner? At the request of the learned PP? This is matter again tomorrow. For him to address the court on the issues raised by the counsel for the petition. We'll have it tomorrow.
Here, my lord, possibly, my lord, whether I appeared or not, my lord, with the bank statement, I appeared, and it is, my lord, we have responded, let them answer, my lord. Although it may not be in black and white, my lord. That was the query of the honorable court, my lord. I appeared, my lord.
What was the allegation?
My lord, theft of oil, my lord. Theft of oil not named in the affair, and named persons are on bail or pre-arrest bail, my lord. I apprehended because a 41A notice at that point of time was issued on me, my lord. Thereafter, I was asked to deposit bank statements, my lord, property statements. I deposited and I appeared. State said, my lord, I did not appear. They were to find out as to whether I appeared or not, my lord. Or it may not be there in black and white, my lord, in the order. Up to that case that in the order, possibly, my lord. Mahajir Hushu.
You are who?
My lord.
You are the driver, you are who?
No, I have no driver, my lord. Railway employee, my lord.
Chief
Loco Inspector, page 4, para 5, my lord.
Yes, sir. Any reason to retract from the earlier protection granted? Give us some reason. He has, or should we say he has appeared Statement recorded. Custodial interrogation not necessary. Interim made final.
Page 9, we have given the list, my lord. All others are on bail or pre-arrest bail, my lord.
Why are you apprehending arrest?
No, I apprehended because, my lord, a 41 a notice was served. Instead of appearing, my lords, my co-workers were arrested, I appeared, my lord. But I have got nothing to do with at least these two, my lord, vehicles. What the police did, my lord, they thought that I MS-12 in other operations, my lord. So hence they sought for the, my lord, property assets and liabilities, I deposited, my lord. In written questionnaire from they asked, I deposited, my lord. Possibly these two vehicles regarding, my lord, this case, they could not find anything, my lord. That's why they thought I may have MS-12 in certain other earlier operations or subsequent operations, my lord. They sought for my
Oil which comes through railway, that was being pilfered away.
Exactly, my lord. Some less quantity was delivered to
Mr. B.K.
railway.
Mahajan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard the learned PP. The by order dated 12/2/2025, this court had granted interim protection to the petitioner in the following terms. Can you দিব? It is submitted by the it is submitted on the basis of records that the petitioner has appeared before the investigating authority and his statement has been recorded. Full stop. In view of the you have the CD, na? Nothing particular against him. In view of the contents of the CD as received by the PP and in view of the fact that the statement of the petitioner has already been recorded and another comma, this court does not find that the custodial interrogation of the petitioner at this stage would be necessary. Full stop. In that view of the matter, the interim protection granted by the order dated 12/2/2025 is hereby made absolute.
Highly obliged, my lord.
AB
Obliged.
disposed of. Charge sheet is submitted, sir.
Yes, sir.
He was on interim bail. Go and appear there.
Yes.
You were not arrested in the meantime.
No, Your Lordship.
So now
Some
once you
protection may be
receive
given.
the summons, he will appear. You will appear before the trial court
Yes.
when you receive the summons.
Yes, Your Lord.
Heard Mr. Swain Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Swain Learned PP. By the order dated 13/8/2025, this court had granted interim protection to the petitioners. Full stop. Today it has been submitted that the charge sheet in the matter has been submitted. Full stop in that view of the matter. No further orders are required in this anticipated bail petition. Full stop. Petitioner would be at liberty. Charge sheet has been submitted by charge sheet number so and so.
96/25 dated 30/09/25.
In above view of the matter, no further orders are called for in this anticipated bail petition. Full stop. Accordingly, anticipated bail petition is closed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Well, today is fixed for case diary, of course, but case diary, I said.
There was also a medical
But
report.
my lord, there is no interim, my lord. I would like to argue them.
Please.
Lordship, kindly peruse the
And was the
page
case diary
10.
first called for?
Actually, what happened in this case, my lord, similarly situated person got bail. Of course, they are all ladies, of course. There is trouble in this case. Lordship, peruse the FIR.
Yes.
Page 10.
Page
10.
10.
Translated copy. And we have also filed FIR, my lord, but it was not registered, my lord, registered by the police, my lord. Then I approached this honorable court, the ladies already been approached before this honorable court, my lord, and they got obtained orders, my lord, that is phase 24/11/2025. It is stated that they are ladies and the
Yes.
injury is simple, that's why. my lord.
At page 10, it is Bachchani Roy, Ulla Roy and Mampi Roy. These are the persons who have got bail. Page
No,
10,
my lord,
4, 5, 6.
they are, my lord, Bachchani Bala Roy and Mampi Roy.
They have got bail now.
They have got bail on 24/11/2025. I have annexer is 22 pages. Others are Zens, my lord.
In your
But
FIR,
in the rejection order, my lord, it is shown that my injury is in simple injury.
Page 19.
Page 19, last para.
photographs show grave.
Yes, my lord. But it is in the from the FIR, your lordship come to know that earlier also they have fight, my lord. Maybe that photograph will this earlier incident, my lord.
Allowing the all the
But
people to
medically
remain
it is
well, can there be further fights then?
medically, my lord, but it is shown that it is injured, my lord. So I may be allowed to go on bail, so that we can appear before the police, my lord, or she, my lord, who stated our grievance, my lord. And in that bail order also, they put some condition, my lord. That condition may be put.
When did the fight took place? 24/10/2025. You have not been arrested till now.
No, not arrested. Because I have also filed one FIR, my lord.
Ah. Why don't you allow him to go away? Let her go and appear.
Yes, my lord.
You wait for the CD and the medical report. Let them go and appear. Come back with the CD. We shall see what can be done.
I may be
Simple
allowed
in
to
the-
go on bail on.
Huh?
I may be allowed to go on bail, my lord. If I appear, they will arrest us, no?
We'll allow you to appear means we'll allow you to appear
And
under
put
protection.
condition also, lordship can.
We'll allow you to appear under protection of this court.
Yes, yes.
Go and appear.
Yes.
Thereafter, we'll have the CD. We'll see if.
If
Hmm?
anything comes up from the diary,
Then okay. Yes, my lord.
If you are seen wielding a very heavy weapon
Yes.
around an old man's head, then
My lord, we have also filed FIR, but they did not register, my lord. I have annexed that FIR.
24/10.
That is 16. SMS
No,
version.
you filed it on 24/10. You tried to go there on 24/10 and they also did it on 20. Huh?
24/10.
Both of you went on
Yes, my
24/10.
lord, because there is a fighting between them.
But Ms. K. Devi, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners also heard the learned PP. Although the case diary was called for by the order dated 5/12/2025 along with the injury report, the same are yet to be received. Full stop. Ms. Devi, learned counsel appearing for the petitions have submitted that other co-accused who are named at serial number 4, 5, and 6 of the FIR have been granted the privilege of pre-arrest bail by this court in the same FIR with regard to the same FIR, full stop. She has further submitted that the matter is of October 2025. Full stop. List again on huh? 10th of February 2026, by which time the learned PP shall ensure that the case diary and the injury report are made available to this court. Full stop. In the interim, it is provided that the petitioners would be at liberty to appear before the investigating officer to have their
Cons-
statements recorded and to cooperate in the investigation, full stop. It is further provided that in case of their arrest on their appearance, the petitioner shall be released on bail of rupees 10,000 each with one surety of the like amount subject to the satisfaction of the IO.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
List again on 10.
10.
46. It might be interim, we have to check it there.
Although none appears for the petitioner on call, the Mr. Goswami Leonard PP has submitted that the case diary is awaited, full stop. In that view of the matter, let this matter be listed again on 6/2 to enable the PP to, Leonard PP to procure the case diary. The interim protection granted earlier shall continue till such date.
6. 47. 43 also same pair also. These are interim, we have not received the case there.
Okay, same order. Party voting.
Same date.
Same date, 6/2.
49.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship,
Mhm.
if you anticipate a bail application, lordship, we are FIR, lordship will find on page 15, lordship. But lordship thinks is that my vehicle was used in this offense, lordship. Actually, this vehicle was given to 2-person, lordship. That 2-person, lordship, earlier also, lordship, taken my vehicle for carrying, lordship, goods and fish, lordship. This time without, lordship, carrying the fish, lordship, they had, lordship, picked up the enter in the premises of this informant, lordship. Now in this connection, lordship, what happened, police search info of this petition, lordship, and the register owner, lordship, page 19 is the lordship registration RC. Now
Once the charge sheet is submitted,
yes, lordship, charge sheet submitted, lordship. Now I have been shown as an absconder in the charge sheet, lordship. On my appearance, lordship, we will detain because
no, but this, how do I give you an anticipatory bail in a matter which is now pending before the trial court?
Lordship, until unless the summon received, lordship. Because
Now
someone
you will not be arrested until and unless the summon is received.
lordship, they have submitted the charge sheet, lordship, and showing me absconder, lordship.
So who will arrest you now? They cannot arrest you. Investigating authority matter over.
That part, lordship, showing me absconder, lordship.
Investigating authority.
Yes.
Investigating authority, all power gone now.
Yes, lordship.
Trial court yet to give you summon.
Yes, lordship.
After I see someone.
Where is the?
Because there is a, lordship, the investigation officer after filing of the charge sheet can arrest this person, lordship.
Why? How?
Because, lordship, there is a lordship further lordship, further investigation. Maybe they go for further investigation, lordship. Because
Yes, it's now pending.
To go for a further investigation, he has to move something before the trial court.
yes, lordship.
Can he
but,
simply keep on opening the
I'm
case
ready
diary
to
again?
appear, lordship. I'm ready to
Be
appear.
ready to appear the moment you receive a summon.
Yes, lordship. Because-
The moment you receive a summon,
Until, lordship, now this is now is a free hand
we
for the
cannot.
police,
What
lordship.
orders do we pass? He
Lordship,
shall not be arrested on his appearance
lordship,
before the
what
trial court.
happened, lordship, when my 30,
Can we say that you will not be arrested when you appear before the trial court?
not a till appearance, lordship, I may be protected, lordship. Till appearance, fixed date, lordship, I will appear and go for
You
appeal.
have not even received the summon. Why should?
Lordship, what happened? My rejection order can come to the page 22, lordship. Why
If you
rejected
show
my,
us the rejection order, you will be in bigger trouble, sir. Once your AB is rejected, are you not supposed to?
lordship, what happened in this? Why rejected, lordship? Can you peruse the
When?
rejection order, lordship?
When?
Page 22, lordship. Now, police has sent me, lordship, for asking me to come and take the GMA of that vehicle, lordship. That notice also there, lordship, on page 21, lordship.
What was the offense committed?
Theft, lordship.
And you are the owner of the truck,
Owner of the vehicle, that
which
truck.
was used in carrying the.
That was, lordship, carrying that rice, lordship, from the rice mill of the informant, lordship.
You had fled away from the place of occurrence.
That said, lordship, there's a flat well, lordship. However, having a, lordship, vehicle of such costly vehicle, lordship, why should I go for that, lordship? My Bolero pickup vehicle, lordship. It's for, lordship, commercial purpose, lordship. Now 21 Lordship, page 21 Lordship, there is a message.
Who is Lutfur Rahman, your brother?
Lutfur Rahman is the brother Lordship.
No, you are Lutfur.
No, Lordship, I am Lutfur Ali Lordship.
Or this time the name is the same, the titles are different.
No, Lordship, this, my anticipated bill that is on page 22 and
What
that
is
will be
24?
arrested person.
What is 24?
24 is that person Lordship.
Who?
Lutfur Rahman is that Lordship, brother of this petitioner Lordship.
So that is what I am saying. All your both brothers are named Lutfur, but Ali and Rahman differ.
Sorry, my brother's is Lordship on page 20 Lordship.
Who is page 24?
Page 24 Lordship. Another case, Lordship.
PS case number 22. Here it is Boroma PS case 42.
Same person.
No, here is Rahman is Ali.
Are you the same person?
Lordship, Ali, that was released, that instruction Lordship, only Ali Lordship.
Then who is this Rahman? Why have you given this document? Page 24, what is the relevance?
There is Lordship, they said Lordship, they try to, they try to show this, they try to Lordship.
You say you are the.
Similarly.
Just a minute. At para 6, you say that this is your bill petition.
Sorry, Lordship. They try to.
So Rahman and Ali is the same man.
Yes, but Lordship, they tried to implicate me in another case, Lordship.
Your vehicle has been doing the rounds.
This time, Lordship, not that, Lordship.
Not in doing the rounds and not on the correct highway.
Because Lordship, I have given the person Lordship, the two person Lordship, I have named their name in my petition Lordship.
See, the charge sheet has been filed. Would you like to wait for the summons or what to do?
Lordship, till that I'll ready to appear before the court Lordship and go for regular bail. Till that Lordship, I am protected. Lordship. Till that Lordship, 10, 20 days Lordship.
Indefinitely, till the time you receive your summon, till the time you will go.
Now Lordship, with the 20 days Lordship, I'll surrender and go for the regular bail Lordship. That kindly be considered Lordship. Because otherwise in the charge sheet Lordship, I have been shown as an absconder Lordship. Now procuring attendance is the factor.
Show me one order tomorrow where a charge sheet has been submitted.
Yes.
And till your appearance, you are allowed to remain on anticipatory bail. Show me one order tomorrow in any case.
Tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow. At the request of the Learned Council for the petitioner, let's this matter again day after tomorrow.
Yes, Lordship.
Because I am not being able to formulate the order. How do we tell the trial court? Whom do we tell not to arrest you?
Now, Lordship, I will appear since charge sheet has submitted, Lordship. Since now the question is, Lordship, procure my attendance, Lordship. Only
After tomorrow, show me an order. What kind of an order you want? Show me one order passed by this court.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Day after tomorrow. May it please your Lordship. Charge sheeted Lordship.
So,
Lordship,
what do you want now?
so I am the mother of the deceased person, Lordship. And I am not the FIR name accused person, Lordship.
Who died?
Lordship.
Who died? And how did he die?
My son.
Your son expired.
Lordship.
Why are you apprehending arrest?
Because the charge sheet has been filed against me, Lord.
Against the mother of the deceased.
Lordship.
Why? Unnatural death.
No, Lordship, murder is there.
Murder.
Murder.
The mother is accused of murdering the son.
Murdering the son, but not in the FIR, Lordship. But FIR was lodged by the wife of the deceased, Lordship.
Saying?
I have also filed on FIR.
Where is the FIR?
FIR in place.
Page 16.
Lordship, the alleged FIR in page number 14, Lordship. One more, may I read, Lordship?
The wife of the deceased says that you are named in the FIR.
My name is not there in the FIR.
Then where do you come in? Why the
Okay.
charge sheet against you?
During investigation,
Why did you apprehend arrest?
apprehended because the charge sheet has been filed as absconder lordship.
Huh?
Absconder charge sheet has been filed.
Huh?
So I'll face the trial lordship. I may be allowed to.
So who will consider that?
Well, lordship.
Once the
because
charge sheet has been submitted,
Lordship,
who
I
will
have
consider
one-
whether you should remain on bail during the
By-
trial or not?
By this honorable court lordship, I have been order in session trial case after charge sheet bail has been granted.
What is your role according to the charge sheet?
Co-accused lordship, charge sheet, I'm reading the relevant. In page number 55 lordship in charge sheet.
Okay. You understood. Huh?
Para, second para,
Page 50?
55.
Which para?
Second para.
তদন্ত
তদন্ত
লগত
মঙহ
জড়িত
লগত।
পোৱা পদকীয়া মানে যোৱা 9 তাৰিখে
The arrested person implicated me.
এখন দি দিয়কচোন Mr. Sharma, charge sheet has been submitted. He appears before the CJM, he may be arrested before committal.
He should be arrested.
Why? Show us.
My submission is also there are a number of accused persons
Hmm.
who mercilessly beat the accused victim
Hmm.
and he subsequently died.
Huh?
And all those accused persons also they had preferred a number of bail applications, number of types also they had all been rejected.
Hmm.
If I may just point out one of the ABE's lordship 1322/25, it was rejected on 3925.
Hmm.
And next is lordship BA 3079, that was also rejected.
Hmm.
Now lordship, if lordship finally comes to 45, this is the charge sheet.
Page 45.
Page 45.
Huh?
The type of charge sheet.
Huh?
I will not bother your lordship, everything lordship has already gone through the facts. It talks about the injury that has been sustained on the lordship will kindly come to page 48.
48. Yes.
The lordship will see all those materials are there. Last paragraph lordship will kindly see. On 10/6/25, eyewitness so and so recorded their statement capability where they have stated that on 21/5/25 that about so they heard the price for the house of and the witnesses found that Hindus, Noor, Igu, Baby, ISR. And so also. Subsequently, Sahan shouted, "Do not kill me," and save me. Thereafter, the accused person by holding sticks, swords, and sand weapons forcefully taken him inside the house and killed Sahan with sand weapons. In respect of that, also, next paragraph, we finally see 4 lines coming down new paragraph. In their statement, it is stated that the accused person, namely so and so, Ayesha Deva, and Nazir, they trespassed into the house with holding hard weapons of the complainant. The husband of the complainant was assaulted and killed that so and so. Now, lordship, in the stand copy, lordship, I have flag marked the eyewitnesses. There are a number of eyewitnesses, lordship. I am stressing on only Rafiq Haq, Aidul Rahman, and Mutiur Rahman. Eyewitnesses account will show lordship that he was very much present and she was holding some sort of weapon in her hands, and all of them mercilessly beat the victim. One more important thing, on to page 51. Lordship is found 51. 51 Lordship is first paragraph is found during investigation that the accused persons of the case tried to suppress the commission of the same incident of murder and with a clever ruse filed an FIR to ISA Belor, the present petitioner, against the name of some of the accused person before the police station. So Lordship, already they are trying to hamper the investigation process. And their FIR was found to be baseless. That is also required. So as Phlegma the postmortem report, as well as the statement of the eyewitness, Rafik Haq. It starts from Rafik Haq.
Lordship, I have also filed as I had that one, which has been
It has been found to be baseless. Lordship.
baseless during investigation said by the police. But Lordship, the word has filed FIR. I couldn't immediately file loss FIR because Lordship, because my
You had
son
gone
was
with you had gone with the injured person to the hospital.
Lordship,
That is why you could not file it.
Lordship, because my son was
So you took your son to the hospital.
I was in hue and cry.
No, no, did you go to the hospital with your son?
Lordship, in the meantime, I have went to the hospital, Lordship. When my son was in the hospital, Lordship, and my FIR is in case number 21, Lordship.
আয়েশা বেৱা আদিয়ে ধাক্কা ধাক্কি কৰি মাৰপিট কৰি আছে পিছত সাহানে চিঞৰি চিঞৰি কৈ আছে মোক নেমাৰি
But I am the mother, Lordship.
That is why we are asking.
And in case 21, I have filed a loss, filed a FIR after 1 day, Lordship. In case number 21.
We were also trying to find out if there is an option where you were trying to protect your son in all the in these statements. Does not appear to be so. You want, You are appealing for who?
Wife of the sister. So my only one point is that charge sheet this says on the two friends the Aisha Beba, she has tried to screen the Egyptian thoughts FIR is fine. And she was also present in place of operation. But I information gathered and these are heavily used with everything, drugs and murder and the other cases, 5 or 6 cases are there. So these persons, he knows everything, so that is why it's a planned murder case. So that's why it's Sahara, so we don't, that's why yes, that's one for this. Because
Would you like to appear as and when you receive summons, or would you like to withdraw this and try your luck?
Maybe fix another date, Lordship. I'll prepare, Lordship.
Stressing on disposal of either way.
See, this
Maybe
one that you have, this that you have given us.
Lordship.
Here, it was an anticipatory bail where this court,
This is also the session travel case, Lord. Before committing.
after filing of the charge sheet, someone was issued to him by the magistrate. At that point of time, this court said that, okay, since it is a case for commitment, it has to be committed, doesn't have the power, we are granting him the bail till such time. Have summons been issued in your case? No.
No, Lordship.
Have you received summon?
I couldn't receive.
No. So,
Lordship.
this one goes. Now tell us.
That's because we the
The facts are different. I'm not going into that. What would you like to do, sir?
Sure, I'll face the trial, Lordship, because lots of people have to be arrested in this case, Lordship.
Lots of people are to be arrested.
Yes,
Let
Lordship.
us start one by one.
As per FIR, Lordship, as per FIR, and charge sheet, Lordship. That's not the charge sheet has been filed. And charge sheet, all are evade of police arrest, Lordship. Evade of police arrest found That's from page 27 in the charge sheet, Lordship.
We are not inclined to do anything today. Choice is yours. We close this.
Lordship, one more chance, maybe one, at least 1 week, Lordship. I'll prepare, Lordship.
After tomorrow, then, Lordship.
After tomorrow, Lordship, 1/28 maybe, Lordship.
It is either today or day after tomorrow.
Lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship, day after tomorrow.
After some hearing in the matter, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed that the matter may be fixed day after tomorrow, accordingly list on.
Oblast.
Yes, state any.
Lordship, this Krishna was granted bail on the wrong, Lordship, that it was a 60 days of remedy. Lordship,
Yes, I'm hearing you, please.
but that case was registered under 87A, Lordship. So it was not.
No, it should have been 90.
Yes, now the state has filed this bail cancellation petition, Lordship. But Lordship, since
2020, you could not get it cancelled.
now, Lordship, what my submission is, Lordship, I have checked the record, Lordship, though I am not very sure. But I have come to know, Lordship, that NDPS case number 8/21 is already going on, trial is already going on. So if Lordship permits, we can just go through the conduct of the petitioner during the trial. So for that, if Lordship kindly calls for the records, at least the scanned copy. On the next day, we can dispose of the matter, Lordship. TCL.
Mr. Sharma, the learned, heard, the Mr. Sharma. Switch places.
Oh, yes, Lordship.
Oh, sorry, my lord.
Mr. Sharma, the learned PP appearing for the applicant has submitted that the trial in the matter has started and
It's fixed for evidence.
no, it has started and is fixed for evidence. Full stop. In this application praying for cancellation of bail, comma, it is the stand of the state that the petitioner was granted bail on an erroneous premise that the statutory period as on the date of passing of the order for bail had already expired. Full stop. Mr. Sharma submits that although the statutory period was 90 days on an erroneous view that it was 60 days, comma, the bail was granted. Full stop. Therefore, the state had preferred this present petition for cancellation of the bail. Full stop. Today, Mr. Sharma has submitted that that a perusal of the proceedings in the trial court may be necessary to decide whether the bail granted by this court requires to be now cancelled or whether the petitioner, the accused has been participating in the trial. Full stop. Accordingly, list this matter again on.
To the records has to be called for by the registry, Lordship. NDPS case number 8/.
Just a minute. List this case again on 10th of February 2026, by which time the registry shall call for the scanned copy of the records of
NDPS case number 08/2021 pending in the Court of District and Session Judge, Kamrup Metro. And Lordship, the period of detention is of 180 days, Lordship.
180 days, 90 days, 180 days. Oh. Mr. So-and-so appears for the respondent in the that is why I said switch places. Yes, what is this for? Yes. Objection to what, madam? What is this IA for?
Donation for delay
Of Revision petition.
Revision petition.
What do you want to revise? What do you want this court to revise? Tell us that.
Lordship,
What is wrong with the order passed? You have
Order-
filed your objections. What is the delay?
delay, it is 20 days.
Huh?
2820 days.
2820 days.
Yes, Lordship.
And-
Lordship, there is reasoning
3190 days. Huh.
ground also, Lordship.
What is the ground?
Lordship, before going to the grounds, Lordship, let me explain the fact first in brief, Lordship.
The ground.
Lordship, without the fact, ground could not be understood, Lordship. That's why, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I was the respondent of a FC case, Lordship, maintenance case, Lordship. That is case number, Lordship, 584/2014, Lordship. And yes, Lordship. Lordship, I was the respondent, and the another party was the petitioner, Lordship. And Lordship, what happened in this case, Lordship, order passed against me, Lordship, and the maintenance granted ₹2,000 in favor of the applicant, Lordship. Lordship, but thing is that in the meantime, Lordship, it was the ex parte order, Lordship, and the proceeding passed ex parte, and the judgment also, it was ex parte, Lordship. And in the meantime, the petitioner, Lordship, lost an FIR in the Polton Bazar PS, Lordship. That is Polton Bazar PS case number 92740 in the same year, Lordship, which was registered under section 498A, Lordship. That is, I have annexed in page number 12, Lordship, the judgment, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, that is very important, Lordship. I have got acquittal, Lordship, from the CGM court, Guwahati, Lordship.
Where is that?
With an opinion, Lordship.
Where is that order?
Page number 12, Lordship.
12.
12, Lordship. And in this, the court opined in this case, Lordship, that the prosecution failed to prove that the respondent is the husband of the petitioner, Lordship. This is the main fact, and I have got the judgment of this case on dated, Lordship, 3/6/2022, Lordship. And Lordship, after passing the judgment from the FC court, Lordship, it was without my knowledge, Lordship, and I was aware about this judgment, Lordship, till I have to arrest, Lordship, by the police, Lordship, in the year 2024 only. When police arrested me in the year 2024, then it was informed to me that a judgment has been passed against me. Lordship, thing is that the petitioner, Lordship, of the FC case, Lordship, the petitioner of the FC case, that is maintenance case, he was my, he was a rental in my home, Lordship. She was a neighbor, Lordship. Important fact is that she was my neighbor. He married one Jiten Bosmutari about 23 years ago, Lordship. But after a few years of their marriage, he left the house of the husband, Lordship, and came back to his parental home, Lordship. And regarding this matter, a big quarrel arose at their home, Lordship. And then, Lordship, she along with her mother came to approach me, Lordship, to give him a room on rental basis, Lordship. And accordingly, I gave a room to her, but he could not pay her rent regularly, Lordship. This is the fact. For this reason, he left my rental room in the year 2014, and after going there, after some days, I received a notice from the Principal Judge FT Court, Lordship, FC Court, and accordingly, to appear before the court on dated, Lordship, that was 17/12/2014, Lordship. And accordingly, I appeared before the court, not before the court, before the court campus, but I have not hired any advocate because I was confirmed that she is not I never married to her, Lordship. She is not my wife, and that's why I want to appear before the judge, myself, Lordship. But I do not know the procedure of the court. I was waiting in the waiting room, Lordship, before the court, but I have not been called by anybody, Lordship. This is the fact, and I thought that next notice will come to me to appear before the court, Lordship.
So this is an order of 5516.
Yes, Lordship, 5560 as
16.
per the judgment, Lordship.
Thereafter, she did not claim the money from you.
Money from me, but I was not aware, Lordship. I
No.
just aware in the year 2024 when police
From
arrested me.
16 to 24.
Yes, Lordship.
From 2016 to 2024.
Yes, Lordship.
Did he pay you any money?
From 2024, I am paying. I am paying, but the area, the court fixed my area 2,000 extra with the fixed maintenance, Lordship. That is 2 plus 2, 4,000 I am paying. From the month of July 2024.
You don't have a stay till now.
Lordship?
You don't, that order is not stayed till now.
Pardon, Lordship. This is the fact. After getting the information, I talked with the advocate, Lordship.
You did not appear, it proceeded ex parte. You did not appear in the case, it proceeded ex parte.
No, Lordship. Actually, I have received the notice from the principal judge court on dated to appear on dated 17/12/2024, Lordship.
You have received a copy of the objections?
Order, this one.
Or the objection you have received? You
I have
want to file
received-
anything against it, or
I
you want to
have
argue
I
on?
have seen this objection,
Huh.
but nothing has been clearly written.
When did you file it?
But only
Today?
today.
Achha, list this matter
But
again
in-
on
Lordship,
22nd of January. 22nd of January, along with a copy of the objection stated to have been
22nd, okay, Lordship.
this week, Thursday. This week, Thursday.
Okay, Lordship.
22nd.
22nd I can, Lordship.
When you
Along with
receive
Lordship.
will you appeal? 27,
27 I can, Lordship. I have to go to Arunachal, Lordship.
28,
For a case.
28,
Date not yet fixed, but next week.
29.
It will fix.
Okay, to your convenience. February, take a date.
24, 25, it is okay, Lordship.
24 or 25 of January.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, list this matter again on 24th of.
Yes, Lordship. For what, Lordship? Then.
There is a calendar before you. Can you see it? Along with a
Acha.
copy of the objection stated to have been filed by the respondents in IA, criminal number 201 of 2025.
22 is not,
তেওঁলোকৰ 600 দি দিব।
22 is not possible,
Agree on a date.
Lordship.
Agree on a date and tell the court master.
Okay, Lordship. For what then date fixed?
Copy of the objection is not on record.
Oh, Lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes, sir.
This order was actually fixed for today, my lord, for consideration of interim pair. But office not go to shows that, my lord, the scanned copy of the TCR as well as, my lord, service report on response number 2 is awaited. I have seen, my lord, that flag mark portion, my lord. সেইটোৰ লগততো কোনো কথা নাই, এইটো আহিলে নিদিব না। Very fine point is involved here, my lord. The victim himself is a IO. That cannot be, my lord. But even then, my lord, court want to see TCR.
TCR would come, but is that true?
That your lordship reflected in the order. Your lordship in the last order when recorded, my lord.
From where the FIR and the charge sheet along with the materials. It will be.
Article 21 is clearly violation. My lord, there is a fair investigation.
Yes, can you show me that this was necessity?
My lord.
That it is a necessity. It was out of necessity that this Deepak Gogoi had to take up the investigation. What was the necessity? Mr. Parashar and perhaps even in the disciplinary proceeding, the disciplinary authority, inquiring authority. Okay. When can it be done? Because these are issues. If we say that the investigation is not correct, you will have the option of having a correct investigation done, proceed whichever way you want to. Keeping it here, allowing something to proceed there,
That will be, yes.
then saying that no, it was all wrong. Waste of so many things. Or if you can show us that yes, this SI who had done the investigation is not the victim, alleged victim. Matter ends.
Yes, then.
We close it now. Delaying is not helping. Eh? Victim of what? People attacked the station or what?
Actually, my lord, these three persons, your lordship kindly, my lord, page 62. That is the order, impugn order, which my lord I have challenged before this honorable court. I raised this issue, my lord, before the court. Victim is a police officer, my lord. The 354 is there, my lord. No, 353 is there. And also there is a simple injury, 307 is there, my lord. This ingredient of these two sections, definitely not there. But when there is a, my lord,
If it is the same person, if one of the victims is conducting the investigation,
my lord,
we will not go into
my lord,
which provisions of law are being attracted. Nothing will be attracted.
Naturalization and fair, how the
Nothing
fair
will be
investigation is made coming.
Just give us one sentence. The victim is not the investigating officer. Matter ends. We will not go into anything else. Charges frame, that we will see.
Charge frame, we raise
Then
this
only we
question,
will
that
see
was
whether
not
the
been- not
charges
been-
are properly framed or not.
That question, that I reply it.
Was this ground taken earlier, sir, in the
Yes, my lord.
earlier order of 1410?
Yes, the 1410, your lordship.
What does it say?
They have not been, that is not been decided. It was also submitted that the information case is himself the investigation officer, which is raised the concern regarding the fairness of investigation.
What?
Person physically assaulted and my
Okay.
lord, were a police officer after Ataur Rahman. But that is not been, my lord, dealt with, my lord.
It's
Therefore, from the perusal of the material and the collected investigation, this court has prima facie sufficient material for framing a charge against the accused persons. Under section 143, 148, 448, 323, 353 IPC and 307 IPC with the section 149 IPC charge against female handling. So there is no giving any finding.
No, there no finding has been given. We are not.
Although I am.
Let us do it this way. We send it back to the Sessions Court. We send this matter back to the Sessions Court. Ask him to decide that question. It was also submitted in the informant of this case is the investigating officer. Let him take it into record. Let him say yes or no.
My lord. But then.
And till that time, the trial will be on hold.
My lord.
If he says it is not the same person, let him proceed.
My
They
lord.
may come back. If he says it is the same person, then he has to give a reason why he allowed the investigation, why he has accepted the charge sheet. He has to give a reason. Can that be done?
Can be, my lord.
Instead of keeping it pending here.
353 is my lord, he himself victim. And my lord, lordship, if your lordship go by a FIR, my lord. Yes, I raised this issue before the court that no finding has been given.
It was not answered.
So then that order has to go.
Sometimes disposal becomes a
My lord.
frenzy on that side. So let him have a conference.
No, I think that will be proper because it will be either way.
What are we waiting for? We are waiting for the TCR.
TCR.
This order cannot be changed, whatever be the TCR.
Yes.
Question raised has to be answered. Tell us. He has to answer the question, no. It was also submitted that the informant of this case is himself the investigating officer, which raises concern regarding fairness of the investigation.
That's the question. No, informant, my lord, there is some doubt. Because information, my lord, your lordship kindly, he made the GD&T. Your lordship kindly see, that regarding victim, my lord, he's the victim.
Have
of
you
the
raised
affair.
that allegation, sir?
And also there is a, your lordship kindly see page 21. Page
Oh.
21, my lord. Annex 2.
No, here, in this, before the sessions court, you did not raise that ground, sir. We have to wait for the TCR then. Before the sessions court,
My lord.
it is submitted that informant is the IO.
No, also.
That may not be wrong. There is nothing wrong if he investigates. If you can give us one sentence.
My lord, if your lordship, my lord, see the affair, page 25, my lord. The in charge of the Kamalpur outpost says Deepak Gogoi and A.B. Salman Ahmed Basumotari tried to stop them for entering in the outpost. Your lordship kindly once, my lord, your lordship kindly says page 25, my lord. Page 25. Deepak Gogoi is the victim and Deepak Gogoi is the IO.
Where is the Deepak Gogoi part?
Page 25, my lord. In, has your lordship got it? Page 25, my lord. Middle portion, in the in charge of Katakal outpost SIPC Deepak Gogoi and ABC Sahel Ahmed Basumotari sentry duty tried to stop them from entering in the outpost, but his Honorable MLA Nizamuddin Chaudhary and his accomplices did not pay heed to the request the IC Katakal OP, thereby obstructing the executive official of the duties in IC, and this personal and physically assaulted Ataur Rahman on his person by dangerous step weapons, so. Ataur Rahman stated.
Even if it is not the victim, then at least he is a direct witness.
And he was Deepak Gogoi was asked
Is it
to
not?
take the investigation, madam.
Outpost SIP Deepak Gogoi tried to stop them from entering the OP, so he becomes a direct witness. Can he investigate?
No,
He cannot investigate.
No, since 354 is there, so they are the victim. These two police persons are the victim, my lord. Otherwise, 354 will not be added, my lord. Here is 354 is there, my lord.
No, even otherwise, when you are a direct witness who has
My
been
lord,
attacked,
that is also, my lord.
should you be doing the investigation?
So that is another one aspect.
Is it possible, Mr. Sharma? There may be circumstances where there is no other police personnel to conduct the investigation. So even if one person is attacked, let him do the investigation. Necessity. Here, it's an outpost. There is a police station above it. There are other people who could have investigated into it. He is the main witness, whether someone entered the police station or not, whether he tried to obstruct or not, whether these persons forcefully entered or not, whether they were beaten up in the presence of the police officer or not. He is the witness. He is investigating. He is giving a charge sheet. He has given the charge sheet. I don't think this is the correct procedure.
And in fact,
but that question was not raised.
And in fact, my lord,
if that question was raised that the witness was made the investigating officer, we could have sent it.
in fact, my lord, that he made the GD&T and he is the informant of the GD&T.
Now, since that was not raised in the court below, we will have to decide it.
My lord, that says that he is the IO investigation officer, he is the informant. Informant is the IO in several cases in NDPS, my lord, in some other cases, some cases it is permissible.
We will try to have it on the 30th of January with the TCR.
30th January, better 29th January, because 30th is the date fixed in the court below.
Although by order dated 17/12/2025, the this court had called for the TCR, comma, the same is not yet received, full stop, issue reminder to the Lorette Trial Court to send the copy of, scan copy of the TCR before the next date fixed. So that the scan copy of the TCR is received before the next date fixed, full stop. What about the service part?
Service part, my lord, that is also waited.
Steps have been taken?
Yes, yes, step has been taken, that is a wait, my lord. Yeah, your lordship kindly see office note, my lord. Office note of 8-1.
Also report on the, also the service report on the respondent number 2 be punished on the next date. Prima facie, it appears that the the FIR had stated that the in charge of the Kothakol outpost had attempted to stop the miscreants from entering the outpost. However, the attack on the on the honorable MLA was carried out despite the same inside the police station.
My lord.
Records also show that the said
Deepak
in
Gogoi is
charge
the-
of the outpost
the Deepak Gogoi is the
was
investigation of.
was deputed as the investigating officer, and he has also filed the charge sheet in the matter, full stop. Shri T.J. Mohanto, Learned Senior Counsel, has submitted that a person who is supposed to be a witness of the entire witness
Also victim,
and also a victim,
because 350 is there.
also a victim, could not have been allowed to proceed with the investigation of the case. Full stop. It has been further submitted that the next date fixed before the London Trial Court is on the 30th of January. 30th of January 2026. Full stop. List this matter again on the 29th of January, along with the scanned copy of the TCR for further consideration. The prayer for interim will be considered on the 29th of January 2026.
Deeply.
At least that day we can allow you to
My lord.
inform the trial court not to proceed with the matter since we are in session of the matter.
Deeply.
Thank you.